Anything recently? Not actually.
Yes,
sure.
but it's not important stuff. I don't think. I think it's just art.
Okay. So like a couple things that I added since the last time that there was a stream. You may have seen it. Is if you look at the cards down here, one thing that I noticed and that was going to be a usability issue is if there's an enemy behind the cards, you won't be able to see them, so it only leaves like a certain amount of space. Now the enemy will peek through a little bit. Well, and by a little bit, I mean like entirely. So he will kind of cut that out. JW hates the dithering. I love the dithering, so we'll, I guess, have to do like a poll or some shit to find out which one people like. Oh, why do I hear your audio? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god, that's so fucking loud. I don't know why I had your stream unmuted on Discord, but that was the loudest shit in the world.
That's funny.
Dithering. So yeah, the dithering's cool.
Yeah.
It also does work with the camera zoom as well, kind of. The math is a little weird, so I won't worry about it too much. The camera won't be zoomed in much anyways. Then a couple of stickers were added. I also don't know, I don't think was the sticker debug menu a thing the last time we streamed?
You know? I don't think so. Didn't. No,
So if
maybe it was.
Maybe. If I hit 1 while we're inside of this menu.
Said 1. Sorry. He doesn't get it.
I don't.
Don't
Anyways,
it.
so it'll pull up a list of stickers and we can choose the sticker rather than having to go through and find it in here. So a couple of them that I added. So we had the bounce sticker, but I guess JW, oh, put it on the wrong weapon. That guy can't bounce.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh yeah, can you turn on shared chat?
Yeah, dude. Oh my lord.
It's not my
Can
fault
you
that I
join
don't
the
know how to do
fucking
anything.
stream?
Oh, I didn't join the stream together.
He said, can you join shared chat? Sorry, I don't know how to do everything. You don't know how to do anything. You had to click the accept button.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that one.
Welcome in.
Thanks,
So we have bounce on the cards. And then also, if I go ahead
hello, Average Kiddo Enjoyer. Send out my stream announcement.
We also have the heavy bullets, which kind of works. So these will be affected by gravity now. They're not as heavy as I would like them to be, but whatever.
Can you just increase the gravity amount?
Yeah, but we'll find out later. And then one that I added that you actually probably haven't even played around with yet is let me put that on there. The follow mouse sticker.
What the?
So this one is cool because it follows the mouse and then it will over time lose influence of the mouse. And I don't know, I made it like super high just to like fuck around with.
Yeah.
But it is really fun, specifically if you spawn in
Half-Life 2
SMG.
rocket launcher sticker.
Pretty much. If you spawn in the SMG and then add a bunch of charges.
Oh dear.
And lower the attack speed by a lot.
Hello, Vivo Goated and A the Ant.
I didn't mean to put bounce on. But if you put on follow mouse, this should shoot just a fuck ton of bullets that all follow the mouse, which is very fun. Also, I added actual infinite mana. So before the infinite mana was just making it so it regen faster. Now it actually just doesn't cost anything whenever you have infinite mana on.
What the heck? That's insane.
So yeah, this ends up going crazy.
So
obviously there's like 100
with,
stickers on this thing right now, but how are we gonna make it work with controller?
Yeah.
Probably just whatever direction they're aiming is the direction the bullet ends up going. So if they aim back, it would start turning back towards this direction.
Okay. Or we could have it follow like the fake cursor of the controller.
I don't like that because then it would only be in this range. I think if it's if the player shoots up and to the right and then holds down left, it should turn around and go back.
Then I think the behavior should be the same on mouse.
No.
Yeah, well, then I don't think there should be different
Go ahead
behavior.
and explain how that works on mouse. How does that work on mouse?
If you're aiming up and to the right, it'll go that way. If you're aiming down and to the left, it'll
so you're
go
thinking,
that way.
If I want the bullet to go from up here to down here, I would have to move my mouse down here, and then it wouldn't track my mouse. It would. No, that feels wrong. I don't like that.
Okay, well, I don't think the behavior should be different on mouse and keyboard, or not on mouse and keyboard and on controller.
Does
don't
Gungeon
think
have
they should
follow
act.
bullets?
It does kind of. I think it has one where it will like go in the direction slightly.
Remote bullets.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, currently it just follows the mouse like a homing missile. Yeah, it's like Half-Life 2 rocket launcher, you know.
I think it's fine because I'm looking at this. Works differently when playing with a controller. With the bullets curving towards the direction of the player's right stick. If the stick is slack, the bullets will curve to the right by default. This makes bullet harder to aim. Many players consider it detrimental. I think if we just remove that second part, I think it's fine to make it work differently.
Okay, fine.
I don't think that they need to be perfectly whatever because I think that everything you can do on mouse and keyboard you should be able to do on controller and vice versa. I don't think the behavior has to be the exact same.
I guess.
Hello, Moaz. But I also added, because I wanted to see what this would look like, I added a DPS dummy that you can put down.
Ooh,
and if I just shoot him, I'll hit him with this. So he stores the amount of damage that he takes, and if you don't hit him for 2 seconds, it resets back down to 0. But if I were to stack a bunch of these and run them into him, you'll see that the damage that he takes is quite large, which is very fun. This is also really nice for finding out that some cards just kind of suck a lot more than you would expect.
Yeah.
Like, so pistol DPS, I think was 38 is what it settles on. Somewhere around 38.
Yeah,
The
we
Meow
should also
36
have an
is
infinite.
like pitiful. Because it drops very quickly, and I think it settles around 32 at the end.
We should have some way to have infinite charges.
Charge.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
And it would also be
Brick is
cool if there's
also-
some way we could like automate this to figure out what the DPS is.
Yeah, I mean, we probably could. Kind of, maybe.
For whoever's
depending.
making the wiki.
Yeah. So yeah, that's that. I don't know if there's anything else that I added since then.
There's also
Trying
the
to think.
snake
I'll look at
bullets.
Well, snake bullets was a thing last time, but
I
yeah,
don't think it was it?
It was. It kind of worked.
Oh, why are
but
they so
it's
fast?
very fast. Because the bullet's just really fast by default.
Okay.
Well,
You
no.
didn't put them on that. Yeah, they're definitely faster.
Yeah, they're definitely faster. Hello. Hello, Blitzbun. How you doing? Why are they so fast? They shouldn't be. Global position of velocity rotated. That. Oh. Oh, I know. Kind of. Yeah. Because of this should just be, well, clockwise will be projectile dot velocity dot rotated 90 degrees. I'm not gonna do that. That's stupid. I'll just do a deck already. Whatever. 90 degrees to the right. And then we need the opposite, which is going to be 90 degrees to the left. Counterclockwise. And then I think the sign will be the ratio. Right, and then I did times 20 here. And then this would be used to lerp between the two.
Do you recommend start with 2D game development or 2D? I would say 2D.
Yeah, definitely. What? 2D
I
game
meant, or
development or 2D?
3D.
Probably 2D.
Definitely
Yeah,
2D.
2D might be the move.
Yeah.
Definitely 2D, like actually for your answer though.
Yeah.
Because 3D, that's an extra dimension. I mean, 2D is just like simple. Most tutorials use 2D for a reason because it simplifies everything, basically.
Yeah.
I may actually get 2 Meow 36s in my
Although I did
second.
also enjoy just messing around with 3D stuff a bit when I started.
Yeah, it is fun. I think you should mess around with both, but I think that for learning the concepts, 2D is definitely adequate. Um, ooh, why did...
Now that I think about it, I haven't made anything in 3D in like forever. I really want to make something 3D now.
I didn't...
I guess we did like the Pirate Software game jam a while ago. That was 3D.
we did, yeah.
Yeah, but we like
That was-
didn't get very far.
Oh, this needs to be normalized. These both need to be normalized, actually. So I was taking the full velocity. Yeah, okay, so that works. And then I need to just have like a... I won't do a variable, I'll just do a thing here, which is bar magnitude, we'll say. Times magnitude, which will just be like 10 times. You don't seem to be working the way that I want you to. Let's try something large, like 500.
Do you have any idea like what kind of design you want for the boss bar?
Hold on, sorry. What?
Do you have any idea of what kind of design you want for the boss bar?
I would imagine something similar to what, like, you see in every other game that has a boss bar. So just like maybe like a gold rectangle with like the red thing in the center, and then like the gold on the outside has some sort of like decoration that makes it like more interesting than just a box.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Do you want it to be like expandable, or do you just want it to be one size?
I would like it to be expandable, yeah. Because we need to change it based on screen size. So if it's just, I mean, you don't have to do much about it. If you just make like a relatively easy enough to 9-patch rect, then
yeah,
I think that'll be fine. I'm just gonna add just a fuck ton of charges. This, you are right. Now that I'm like over here testing this, I'm like, man, I wish we had infinite charge.
we could even just have like an infinite charge sticker for testing.
I can't wait for that to somehow make its way into the actual game.
True.
Why are these... These should be like exact opposite of each other, right? So... should be lerping between this and that. I guess I could just like add 0.5 to this, and then that would do that. That looks about right. Let me slow it down really quickly. Player projectile.tisken. You're going down to 200, buddy. Oh, because the fucking lifetime has a randomness to it. Shit. Whatever. I will say that, like, it's not going to be noticeable enough whenever it's at, like, 50 to be worth worrying about, or, like, 150. Yeah, I think that's fine to do. I'm gonna add this debug thing in now because it's pissing me off. Now that I'm not noticing that it's not there, and I'm like, oh yeah, this is something I could have just added.
Crazy.
Where is... maybe up here under the buttons, infinite mana, infinite charges.
Boss bar. Boss bar. If I were a boss bar, what would I look like?
If I was a boss bar, where would I be?
Okay, buddy.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna hold the stream hostage for a second, and I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna re-listen to that Caves of Cud song. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I was talking to Lukaisa a little bit about speedrunning Caves of Cud, and looking at the current, like, there's not many speedruns of it. And looking at the world record of it, I'm like, holy shit, dude. We could, like, either of us could easily optimize the fuck out of this thing. So
You're actually gonna do that?
I've been like thinking about it because the speedrun sounds like it'd be really fun because of how open the game is. There's so many ways that you could route it.
That's evil.
There's like a set of things that are like you need to do. Pumpkins are berries. Is that true? Are they not gourds? Really? Are pumpkins berries? They are a berry. Someone said pumpkins are not berries, they are squash. Which, maybe. Are squash berries? Yes. Huh. Also, I don't know why my Firefox is so laggy. So they're not gourds?
Probably because you need a new GPU.
It is a type of gourd. Okay, then are all gourds berries? The fucking AI overview says yes, but I don't trust that, so who knows? That's insane. Melons are a subtype of berry. Did you know that bananas are berries, but strawberries are not?
Whoa.
Cool little fact. Card instance.gd. Where are your charges being fucked with? You.
I'm now running boss bar if you wanna see
Pills,
if it's terrible or not. It kind of looks terrible currently.
Charges, the max charges, and we will.
Guess I can make this symmetrical.
Actually, I'll just do this here.
Hold
this
up.
is like a little bit of gross code, but whatever.
That looks like it's about the center, probably.
Most fruits are berry in the name aren't berries. Blueberries actually being berries are an exception. Are raspberries berries? Or are they not? I'm assuming that means they're not, considering what you just told me. They're not. Okay. Are blueberries the only exception, or like one of the ones that we would know of? That are just like, ah, yeah, this is fucked up and evil. Yay, infinite charges unlocked. Cool.
Tough.
Easy code change. I love easy code changes. They are one exception. Yeah. Okay. So infinite mana, infinite charges means that the Meow 36 is now a fucking crazy weapon of mass destruction.
What the heck did you just do? Why is it
I added a fuck ton of attack speed stickers. So
Okay.
the attack speed is like instant. And the
I love that you can
I'm actually
just do this.
I'm kind of surprised that it's firing so much. To be honest. Oh my god, that is a bitch to look at. I don't
I'm
like
honestly
that. I added also a
surprised
bunch
that
of
it's like
bounce.
actually running.
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. I can't spell help.
I can't spell.
Oh yeah, you said exception.
Exception. Many such cases.
Okay. So that's infinite charges. I wanted to clean up the forge a little bit as well because the forge is kind of ugly as fuck. I guess that's what happens whenever you get a programmer in charge of
True.
doing that. Hey, bad.
To
Well, it's fine. I mean, you haven't
programmers try to make
made the
art
forge UI yet,
challenge.
so it's fine. Okay,
Literally impossible.
Go ahead and lay out a UI for me.
Okay,
Go on.
give me a second. What do
See
you
what
need?
happens.
For what? For the
Do you not have weren't you working on Forge UI?
Kind of.
What happened to that?
I don't know. Don't worry
Cranberries
about
are also berries. Cranberries are berries? Sorry, let me look at what a cranberry looks like again. I can't like picture it in my head.
it. They're like
fucked up reason.
balls.
Okay, they are. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, okay. So, I guess the main reason the blackberries and raspberries are because of the fact that they're just kind of like a bunch of different things. So I'm assuming are currant berries. Which I guess that doesn't have berry in the name, but yeah, they are a berry. What berries are there? Blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, strawberry. I don't know. Spiceberry, like from Stardew.
Alright, buddy.
I also kind of want to fix this bug a little bit. I'm gonna do that actually. The jump pad has been pissing me off for long enough.
ESPMO.
TSPMO.
Wait, what about it?
Farong. I want to make it so that the amount of height you get off of it is consistent, so that you don't have to, like, if you're falling from a great height, you don't get like a different amount.
Yeah.
Versus if you like just walk onto it. And the way I'm gonna do that is by just putting the player's position at the top of the jump pad, or at a consistent spot on the jump pad. I'm assuming at the top is probably where I'm gonna end up putting it though. Oh, that's weird. How long? When did you make the jump pad?
A long time ago.
Okay,
Why?
that's very funny, because there's not a script on the jump pad. There's a script on an area inside of the jump pad.
Yeah.
There's also GPU particles. Oh, because these are played by the animation. Weird. Okay, I see. Hello. Big fan, bro? I'm a big fan of you, Spider Space Gaming. Actually, I'm sorry. I thought that your name was going to be Spider-Man, so I started reading it, and I was going to be like, I'm a huge fan of Spider-Man, but
Well,
I
yeah,
am a
that's
huge fan
close
of you now,
enough.
though. Because you're epic. Hello, Ayumi. How you doing? Let's see if the body's player and the... Oh! Interesting.
Don't worry about it.
I'm curious, if you want to look at this really quickly. Is there a reason that this is greater than -10? Instead of just like
No, probably.
0? Or I guess,
There's a reason.
so you can technically hit this while you're moving upward a little bit. Kind of, but like not that upward. It's also, that's interesting. Oh
Yeah.
shit, that means that I could do, var player physics process if player, I guess we'll do if not player return. If player dot velocity dot y is greater than -10, then we will, I'll drag this out into a function called boost. Sorry, give me just a moment, people. I see the speaking going on. Because there's what I'm noticing with this is that this code makes it so that you have to enter it while you're at this velocity, but if you were inside of it and then you hit the threshold of velocity, this wouldn't trigger because you've already been inside of it. Like it only triggers on enter.
Yeah.
Whereas I could do this and then do boost here, which is a function that will do all of this shit. As well as player equals null. Yes. What are we doing? I am working on some cleanup stuff because we have a demo that we would like to do in the end of this month, but I don't know if we're going to end up getting that. To be honest, we'll see, I guess.
Probably not.
I would like to. Okay, yeah, so you can see here, if I hold space because I entered it and then continued. Oh, actually, this is... Oh, that's funny. I introduced a bug. Oopsie.
Nice.
My fault. It's if you... Haha, oops. Sorry, I'll look at your thing in a second. I'm locked in on this code real quick. On body exited. If body is player, or if body equals player, then player is null. You aren't in the ready function, so I'm gonna change this to be a ready function of body entered connect on body entered and body exited. And disconnect the signal from the editor because we don't like editor signal connections. Kinda.
This guy hates me.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm an editor signal.
I guess that works. He's an editor signal connection, guys. You didn't know.
I'm an editor signal. Please don't connect me.
Oh.
Oh.
We only work on the game on Sundays. No. We work on the game on usually Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. Little asterisk is that this week there's a group trip coming up, so we're only going to be streaming on Tuesday, and then we'll be back on the next Tuesday.
Yeah.
Let's see. The reason they have berry in the name is because we used to have a botanical scientific meaning for berry. It used to just mean small fruit. Oh, that's interesting. Kiwis are berries, the fruit kiwi, not the birds or the people from New Zealand. I actually know. Would you say Amelia might be a berry actually? Because it just means small fruit, right? I actually don't know how tall she is, but I would say if she's short, then I would say that she would definitely count as a berry.
Yeah, sure.
Holy shit! Moaz is a berry.
That's
Moaz is a berry. Oh, please tell me Moaz is still here. That would be so good. Please. Okay, so I just realized what was open on my other monitor. I have my YouTube live streaming studio open, and I didn't know there was graphs and shit on there. I saw that, and I was like, I'm gonna look at the graphs. Okay, so that's jump pad stuff. Oh no, sorry, there's still one more thing I wanted to add, which was this. Can you can't get a shape from area 2D, right? Get shape owners. Shape owner get shape. What the fuck are you? No. I'll just export or shape 2D, and you can be assigned through there. And then I will do this thing. What shape.get. This thing. Are you what I want? Yeah, probably. What are you going to be actually? Are you going to be your spot in world position? Oops. What if before the playtest we upgraded it to 4.6? That'd be so cool, right?
But it's in 4.6.
I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah,
the ability to drag in export variables.
Yeah, that's kind of good.
Our pause is going to be shape dot global position plus this.
Best viewers.
Oh, cheap viewers, get out of here.
It's best viewers, actually.
What is my job in real life? I'm a programmer for like an actual company.
Yeah, somehow they hired him.
I mean, somehow. Dickhead.
Okay.
Okay, does that look right? I guess that does. Yeah. Okay, so I can say player dot global position dot y is equal to pos dot y. I think now it should be a consistent height. Let me make sure.
Thank you for the follow. I don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm just gonna try to say your name.
I don't know if that's it. Can I add alerts to my stream really quickly? Edit widgets. Oh,
It's just like
okay.
a source that you add in OBS, basically. Pretty simple.
No, dude. No.
What? What happened?
What happened is a great question, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, what the fuck? I can't use my computer now?
Did you?
Huh?
Hmm?
What? I can't use my computer now. Something happened in OBS and now I can't use my computer.
What do you mean you just can't? It just doesn't do anything?
I can't move windows around, and if I try to stop OBS from doing this thing, it is attempting to crash currently.
Yeah, it's okay.
But I'm live.
That's fine.
Here's hoping if the stream goes down, I'll be back in a second, but I'm gonna just try to please. Oh no, I might have to just close the program. I'll be back in a second. Sorry.
Okay, good luck.
If I can close it, it's not letting me end task.
It might be.
Oh, there it goes. I hit edit widget data and it started opening up 8 different windows a second.
Oh.
And closing 8 different windows a second.
That's scary.
That's so fucking funny.
That is very funny.
Start streaming. Multi-stream. Okay, are we back? Please.
Also, hello.
Please.
So, how would you pronounce KZI? Xi? I don't know.
Probably just KZI, yeah. I'd probably just say that.
Yeah, Nar. Ruber Nar.
Am I live on YouTube again? Or did it...
Are you live?
Hold on. I might have gone live on the wrong broadcast.
Kisi. Is that right? Kisi?
Okay.
That,
maybe?
I'm bad at talking in general, so I can't pronounce anything. It's my fault if I pronounce it wrong.
Okay, there we go. We're live again. We're good.
Let's go.
Sorry, we're back. OBS was upset. I have to restart shared chat. I think.
There we go.
Yay. Okay, cool.
Pronunciation makes more sense in Portuguese. Okay. That's cool.
So I actually don't know if this is doing anything, but I guess I can find out by...
Speaking of other languages, we need to figure
Hopefully
out...
never.
What languages we might want to translate into someday.
Definitely Portuguese, definitely Spanish, and definitely English.
Yeah. Well, you don't translate to English. The game is in English.
Yeah, you do. Well, we're gonna take your writing, and we're gonna, translate it into words.
Hey, that's mean.
Did I have a second YouTube stream? I did, yeah. I clicked on the wrong stream. There's a default stream. I actually have 3 streams scheduled on YouTube. At all times, there is Christmas Game Dev, which happened a long time ago. And then there is Bitlytic is Live, which is the default YouTube stream. And then there is whatever stream I'm actually using.
Why do you have 3?
Because I can't get rid of them because they're not actually on my channel, but
oh, that's
Stream Elements sees that on my channel and it's like, yo, dog.
Cool.
Yeah.
Also, hello, Filippo Calipo, and hello, best viewers.
Hello, Capture. Is best viewers only in your shop?
Yeah, it's Banovator.
L, you got
Nice try.
best viewered. So is this working? I guess I need. We don't have like a half collision tile, do we?
Half collision tile, like a drop-through platform.
No, like a collision tile that's only like half tall.
No.
It's fine. Don't worry about it. The answer's no. I got it.
Okay, bro.
We're bringing out my favorite hello gradient texture tree. How you doing?
Oh no.
I have to make sure that it's consistent with the rest of the movement. Okay.
All right, buddy.
I have to make sure that it works. And then if I were to put you here, I would just like to make sure that you work correctly. Also, sorry, I need to.
Is your music tough? I have not listened to your latest ones, but the one that you sent, the first one that you sent was pretty tough.
Yeah, programming logic, you can make your game. You get lost in the step-by-step. I mean, that's fair enough.
Getting lost in the sauce.
So that lands. If I were to do this, that works. Good luck with your calculus fun.
Calculus. I didn't take calculus because I'm stupid.
You got a dog barking in your background. That's
Yeah, I know. My dog. Everybody say hi, dog.
Here barking. Okay, that definitely went much higher than.
Here, I'll do a,
Right?
I'll
Does
do
that
a
go-
live
That goes like
Filippo
halfway
Calipo
over the
music
thing.
reaction. Let's go find it.
That barely makes it over.
Santa Claus hobby. Okay.
Okay, I think this is
Let's see it.
fine.
Where'd it go? Did you send it?
Yeah,
Showcase.
I think that's fine.
It's so weird for people
Okay,
like
okay.
actually posting stuff in my server.
Yeah, it's true. That's what happens when Dante's 9 streams. Time map, round. Alright, let me get rid of this fucking
It's pretty tough.
random ass, whatever the hell's going on here. I will eventually. I keep forgetting. I actually have a. Is it not a public playlist? I have a playlist where I was putting together music, but I keep forgetting to go back and finish it. Let me see. Playlist. It definitely doesn't have most of the music in it. It only has 14 currently. Oh, it's unlisted. I'll change that to public. I think it mainly has the Night in the Woods soundtrack, but I actually have like a. In here, I have a list of songs that still need to be added.
That was pretty tough. Gotta say.
That should be live, or that should be public on my channel. Too shy to put it in my server, not gonna lie. Why? What the hell?
Yeah.
My server's like chill.
I hate Bitlytic.
What is this app? That was Fubar. It is like an old music player that has been around for like a gajillion years and is like really good because it has like you can like write plugins and shit for it. Okay, so jump pads are now fixed and consistent. Are they good? I don't know, but what did I want to do? Oh yeah, forge. So for the forge, what do we want to do?
Biddy, how do you like this boss bar so far? I don't like it.
Ooh, that looks
a whole
sick.
lot,
What the
but
fuck? Let me pop this on the. Wow. There we go. That looks fucking sick. Have you tried gold?
gold, I can try gold.
Okay. I don't know if that would look
I was
better,
messing
but
with
I'm just
gold
curious.
first, and I didn't really like it. So then I switched to whatever this is. That's like kind of gold.
Kinda. It's more like a bronze.
I think I used the wrong colors.
Yeah, I think that looks. I think that kind of goes hard. I mean, they both do, to be
No,
honest.
that one looks terrible.
That looks terrible. What the hell?
Yeah, it looks terrible. Views. Yeah. That's like really bad.
Oh. You need to watch Building a Better Jump by J. Kyle Pittman. Why is that? Air jump's fine. It feels good, honestly, because it's got the shit that you want from a jump, where it's not like parabolic, where like it's same time up and down. It's got like the climb, and then whenever you let go of space, you like go down more. I was experimenting. I removed these changes, and I'll actually really quickly add them back in.
Is Reaper a bad DAW? I have no clue.
Nope. Reaper's a fine DAW. Any of the DAWs, I mean, really, they're all good. So like, it just means like whichever works for you. It's kind of like game engines. There are some bad ones, or there's some ones with limitations, I would say. Like Oscar Shoal has a decent bit of limitations, but it's also like good for like simple music creation, or at least like it makes making the music part quick. What was I gonna do here? Velocity dot y times equals like 0.2 something. Velocity. I think that's what it would be. Yeah, so if you like go space it just immediately.
Yeah.
No state machines. We do have state machines for the enemies. However, I usually don't like doing state machines for the player. I mean, he made the player originally, and most of this is from the player, but or from his original player controller with like a few tweaks. But I don't prefer to use state machines for the player, especially whenever it's something like simple, like a platformer that doesn't have like wall jumping or like anything like that. And honestly, maybe you should be like beautiful. You could probably be like a lot less, to be honest.
Probably
I also
like
do want to fix his
boss
animation at some
bars
point.
for different bosses at some point, but
Sorry, what'd you say?
so we could probably have like themed boss bars at some point, but
yeah. Holy shit. My tinnitus is going crazy in my right ear right now. Okay, so what do we want to change about the forge? I think that... See, this menu's like very functional right now in terms of like... You click on this and it shows you the stickers and the packs that you can apply. I think if this were like actually in a game, it would be... this would be hidden, and then you would click on this, and then it would select the card and make that focus and show the list. So like,
what you're talking about right now.
Likely by default, if this were like in an actual game, it would look something like this by default.
Yeah.
And then whenever you select this, it would probably not just hide that, but it would make the stickers more of a focus. It would like maybe pull this up, and if you unselect it, this goes away. Just so that you know what the steps are. Like you can't, there's nothing here beforehand.
Oh, you're gonna have the like binder pop up.
Yeah, which I guess isn't gonna be in the current thing, is it? Yeah,
not necessarily, but yeah, probably not.
Where do we? Add card, select card. Card selected, emit, hover card. That goes all the way up to here. Yeah.
It's making states resources a bad idea. I don't know.
That's so fucking funny. That's so fucking funny. It's making states a resource bad? Yeah, I don't know. Thanks for asking though. Like, oh, here, I got you, dog. Yeah, let me just think about this for a second. Godot is making state resource bad. There is a significant and widely discussed security issue with using Godot's built-in resource files for save files. What the fuck are you talking? Could AI overview be fucking dumb as shit ever? Just kidding, that's like the default. I was like, oh, it'd be funny to read off the AI overview as a joke because I know that they're usually really bad, and then this one is just like completely different. So resources versus nodes for state machines. I guess there's three different types of state machines. You can do enums, you can do resources, you can do state, like nodes. All three of those are viable. It kind of comes down to preference. Resources and nodes have the ability to have the data encapsulated, or like the state logic encapsulated into a specific file so that you can reuse them easier. Whereas enums, it's a little bit harder. However, in terms of state nodes versus state resources aren't bad. You can definitely do it, but my kind of like it kind of becomes like, when would you, like, why wouldn't you be using them as nodes? Or like what would be the reason for using them as resources versus using them as nodes? Like, I like using them as nodes because if I were to go over to like Slime Enemy, I didn't work on Slime Enemy, but I can see that he has a state machine that has follow idle and shield break. I'm fairly certain idle doesn't actually exist. He's like never an idle, I'm pretty sure.
Yep.
But I can see like very clearly what states this guy has. And I see that you mentioned you have a game where they need to be reusable, and saving individual states as TSCN files with only a root feels awfully wrong. Yeah, because you don't have to do that. Because you can just add a node and then attach the script that you want. So like slime state, I'm sure that he has one called, like shield break state. So this is a state, you don't have to have it as a root node. So like this would be like shield state. Or if this has a class name, which this one doesn't, but I'll just add really quickly, like class name, shield break state. You actually don't have to add it that way either. Whenever you do your Control A to pull up the node menu, you can also do shield break, and it will show the class name here.
So hello,
yeah, but you
Echo.
can't change inspector values. Yeah, you can. Because if you had export bar follow distance or something like that, if you had this here, you can change these here. Or do you mean like across? Like what exactly do you mean? Am I missing your thing? Yeah, you're on JW stream. Fair enough. Happens. My condolences.
No, it's not that bad. Also, hello Echo, how are you doing today? It's not that bad over here, right? Right. I don't like these end caps. Actually, that's like better just without them.
Yeah, I mean, let me know what your question ends up being, Filippo, because like you can do. My recommendation is to export state scripts in a state manager. Sorry, what do you mean? Recommendation is to export state scripts in a state manager. No. So we have the state machine node here, which handles all of the states, and it doesn't matter what states are underneath this, because so long as it extends from state, it will register it automatically. So like these are all valid states inside of the state machine. So there's no like state manager or anything. Also, how do we use globals? I don't. Ideally. Global variables are for the most part like kind of want to avoid them. Unless they are very, very clearly defined as like, you can use them as a glue sometimes, but like we very rarely use globals other than like auto loads, and a lot of these auto loads need to be condensed down anyways. Yeah, they're good for singletons. Don't go overkill with singletons. I would say even this is overkill with singletons, and we're probably gonna shrink a lot of this down. Like a lot. Also, sorry, there's something on my mouse. There we go. Sorry, there's something on my mouse, and my
Me when I have a pet
autistic
mouse.
finger kept feeling it, and I was like, blah, 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 blah. It kept upsetting me.
Oh, upsetting.
Yeah, how upsetting. So I'm thinking what I'll do is in here, whenever a sticker or a card is selected, if visual, wait, does this not get run whenever? Why do we use so many auto loads? A lot of them are holdovers from before I joined the project.
Hey.
Well, that's like, it's true.
I mean, yeah, but like you're not supposed to say that.
Yeah.
Makes me look bad. I know what I'm doing,
Yeah,
guys. Trust.
Yeah, the main thing is just like, he used a lot of auto loads, so I haven't gone through and like cleared all of them yet.
Yeah. Yeah.
If instance, sorry, hide. No. Visible is equal to instance equals null. The instance isn't null. And if not visible, return. Cool. Except that looks like shit. So can I instead interest you in perhaps if visible, I would like to create a tween, mayhaps. Oh no, he's tweening it. Custom minimum size of X is 0. Well, no, fuck, you use stretch ratio, don't you? I bet. No, you don't. What the hell? What do you do? How do you, huh? Oh no, you do use stretch ratio. Oopsies. For between, I'll do stretch. Size flag stretch ratio. This isn't a flag, but okay, man. Whatever the fuck you say. I don't like that. In property self stretch ratio. Up to 1/2 with set ease out, I would imagine, and set trans to probably quad. Is this going to work? Let's find out. Oh shit, dude, it does. I don't know if I like it. It does work. I think it needs to be snappier. Way snappier. Ugh. Maybe not that snappy.
Does this look so far?
Give me a second.
Okay.
Visible and start. Sure. Okay, what?
But,
I think it looks good. There's one really funny thing, which is the negative space above the skull makes it kind of look like he has cat ears.
it does. Okay.
Oh, sorry, let me streamer good for background for whenever you do other stuff. I'm glad. I'll try not to scream too much then. Maybe I will. Let's see. Not gonna lie, I've been using Godot for more than a year now, and I'm still not 100% sure when to use nodes versus resources. Currently using nodes for everything that either displays something, needs a position, processes, or receive inputs. Resources for anything else. It's also why I want to use states as resources. Only thing I'm worried about is you can't export nodes and resources. Correct. Which is lame as hell, because if viewport texture can. Viewport texture can. Viewport texture can. What did you mean by this? Oh, hmm. Hmm. But that's because it's exporting a node path, which you can do inside of that. That's interesting. I don't like that though. Only thing I hate about Godot is little inconsistencies like these. Yeah. Isn't that what normal nodes do in the backend? Yeah, kind of, somewhat, a little bit. It's like a... There's some weird shit, yeah. Let me add the... You. Need you to... I think I can make this code a little bit cleaner. If not... If visible doesn't equal start visibility, that means we're going to tweet something, which is great. So if visible else, unfortunately there is some shit that I'm gonna have to copy here. Our ender sheet was 1. Okay, so it'd be there.
Okay, what do you want with this boss bar? How do you want it exported? JW's my kitty cat drawing tough. Oh, the one you said one. You sent one in like Discord, right?
Yeah, in general.
Yeah,
Looked really good.
That was really good actually. It's very round. Rotund beast.
And this will be end ratio. I think that this should work.
I mean,
Oh,
any
cool.
kitty cat drawing is just automatically tough. That's how that works, you know?
Oh, because visibility is... Shit. I don't like doing that, but I will. This like feels very gross. I'll probably end up cleaning this just a little bit. I'm kind of curious what it will look like though. Just didn't mean to do that. Whatever. Ooh. Ugh. I don't know why these are sticking out so much, but they are. So if I were to set your stretch ratio to 0.1, yeah, you do. That's annoying. Any chance I can have you be not the world's biggest bitch? No. I think if these were killed... Oh no, just kidding. Those will still exist.
Genuinely can't think of anything else to draw. More kitty cats, obviously. What
That
are you
might be
even
right.
saying?
I guess I could do tween dot tween properties would be parallel. I would do self modulate. A goes to 1 or it goes to 0 over the same time. Ah, shit. Ah, beans.
Beans?
Yeah.
Like my Wordle starting word?
Is that really your Wordle starting word?
Yes. Okay, here's like all the health bar bits. How does this look?
Hold on. That like really pisses me off, man. That's like really pissing me off so much.
Is that fat guy laughing?
Holy shit, FGL spotted in the wild. Hello.
Hello, how are you doing? Thank you. I just finished up the boss bar that I'm working on. Big boy is back.
Massive news. Why?
I think this is good. I'm trying to... Something's slightly off with it, but... I think these top
like
ones may be a little thicker.
I don't understand. If I have the tween callback, this works fine. What?
How do I make a new orphan group in A-Sprite? What the heck is an orphan group?
What the hell is an orphan group?
What did you do?
What the fuck is an orphan group? What are you? Do you have the same program as us?
Is this the right
Where
A-Sprite?
did you get this version of A-Sprite? Where is this A-Sprite?
A group unparent. There's no parenting in how a group. What are you talking about?
What in the fuck?
I think you got the wrong A-Sprite.
Yeah, that's gonna.
I genuinely have zero
Oh.
clue what you're talking about. When you have a nested folder, then kill its parents. But there's like not folders? Is there folders? Oh, you can make like groups. Oh, I didn't know that.
I didn't
Oh,
know that.
I don't know,
Oh,
man.
no.
Good luck. I usually use like 3 layers and that's it.
No,
Unless it's the cards, then
dude.
there's like a million layers and they're so unorganized. But don't worry about it, bro.
It's so cooked. It's so cooked.
Good luck.
If you are asking JW for help with a program that is more simple than just how do I put pixels on a screen, you have already fucked up.
Dude, more
Oh my
complicated?
god, JW, I need
Yeah,
to talk
what?
to you about something.
Yes.
Watching you use Audacity yesterday was the most disgusting experience of my entire fucking life. I just want to let you know.
What did I do wrong?
Watching you use Audacity
What did I do
was
wrong?
the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, and I wasn't even doing anything. I was just watching. What did you do?
Can't be that bad.
Okay, so I'm gonna walk you guys through the list of steps for saving a file in Audacity and what JW did. Okay, let me I'm gonna pull up my Visual Studio Code so that I can write down these notes so that you guys can see these in real time.
It wasn't that
So,
bad.
new window.
guys.
So here is the process of saving a file in Audacity. So he went to export the audio. So you click export. I'm gonna make this larger. Click export. The program goes save online or save locally. And you have to click a button. But there's also a little thing that he didn't ever do, which is don't show again. or don't ask again. So whichever one of these you choose, if you do don't ask again, it will stop asking you and it will just assume the last one. Every single time he's going to save locally. So if you do don't ask again, whatever, he didn't. Next, it auto-populates the file name and the folder, but he would click on browse to file, where he would then click the file that he had already saved because he was overwriting a file that existed. So he would click on the same file, so it would repopulate the file name and folder that was already there. Cool, fine. He would then click save, and it would ask if he wants to overwrite. There's nothing you can do about that. Then, after that was done, he would go into Godot. He would click and drag file from the folder to Godot. Why he didn't just save this file inside of the Godot folder is like beyond me. So like, he could have cut this step out by just clicking don't ask again. He could have clicked this step out because it auto-populated it. He could have gotten rid of the open Godot thing.
It doesn't.
It would just have.
But what if
This
I
is
wanna
all he had to
save
do.
it, that when it auto-populates, it's like whatever the project name is.
This was all he had to do. This was it.
No, that's
2
no.
steps. It was save, click export, and then save it, and then hit yes.
But
And it was just like, it was the most painful thing ever.
the automatic name is just the project name. So if I want it to be different,
I don't think so.
yeah,
It should have been the file that you'd already saved.
I don't think so.
Oh, why is this? I fucked something up.
Hey, either way, who's the one that was making sound effects last night?
Both of us, because I was helping you fix it.
I guess, yeah. Fine.
Oh, hey, that works. Can I
Speaking
do that
of, I
on
still
all
need
of
to add
these?
those in the game. Maybe I'll try to do that. I still think just crossfading it in engine will work.
I mean, it would. Why?
I mean, I can even make some kind of just reusable script for crossfading. Does
I
have like
changed
an
something
end cap
here.
on
I
this?
guess I could just. You know what? I'm gonna unsave all of the work that I just did on this because I actually don't care about the state this file's in. This literally doesn't matter.
There's actual packs of cards now.
Ooh,
Are they?
This thing. Huh?
Oh, the card packs, they don't work as card packs yet, no.
They do, kind of.
Not. No, they don't.
Yeah.
actually.
So it's. Oh no, sorry, no, those are not card packs. Those are sticker packs.
They're
They're
just, they
supposed
just
to
look
be,
like
yeah.
card packs because we haven't changed
Yeah.
them.
Do we have the sticker pack texture in game?
Probably somewhere. I don't know, man. Ooh, I kind of. Ooh, that looks nice. Biddy, what do you think of this little glow I added at the edge of the bar?
Oh yeah, looks good. Yeah.
Okay, yes, they are in the game.
Yeah, they are. Holy shit. Ma, there's that weird fucking cat outside. It's that weird fucking cat. Looks like grandma, that thing.
Oh, hello, Banivator.
I bet JW doesn't even know
I
that
just
video.
scrolled all the way up. Never mind. No, I don't.
You don't know that video? Wait, like actually?
No.
No, dude. That's so tragic. That video is so good.
Yeah.
Weird fucking cat outside.
Meow.
What's the name of the emote? Is it just like weird fucking cat?
I was hoping it was a
Weird
card
cat,
pack that
yeah.
animated open like those card opening videos. Yes, that's the plan.
Eventually.
You just don't have that yet. I was thinking of turning that into like some short form content. Like every day or couple days post like a pack opening, but it's a Dante 9 card.
Which color are we using for the demo?
Red.
Red.
Or actually we could use
boring.
the fancy 9 one at the top.
Fancy 9-1. What is the size of these?
I don't know.
Because it's like,
No clue.
it looks like it's not divisible by 8.
It probably isn't.
That's correct. It definitely isn't. How large is this texture?
What you could do is you could set the
172. It's 43.
no. It might be just because of how I exported it.
Why?
Yeah, you know, I could just open it up. I don't know why we're like debating this. Let me find it. I don't know where I saved this. Object.
Surely it's like
no.
It's like 40 by 48.
Probably in cards. It should be with stickers. Stickers. Oh, I see. I have two separate sticker folders. One of them is in cards, and the other one's not in cards. Yeah, don't worry about that. It is. They're 32 by 32.
Is there a reason that they're exported so weirdly?
Yes.
Because the spacing between them isn't the same as the
I'm pretty
spacing,
sure I
like, the
reduced
margin
the
in
spacing so
actual...
that way it looked nice when I like exported it.
Oh, you reduced the spacing so it looked nice. It wasn't anything about the
No.
usability of the
No,
texture.
because it wasn't supposed to be used in game. It was supposed to just be a grid of the things, so that way I can see them what they look like. Because I don't like Atlas textures. I did not intend for you to use an Atlas texture.
Whatever, I'll just use the Godot auto slice.
That actually works at the heck.
Apparently, I've never
didn't
used it
even know
before,
that
but it
was a
worked so
thing.
perfectly. I was just like, dude.
I did not know that was even a thing, to be perfectly honest.
I know I've used it in Unity before, and that tool fucking sucks. So I was like, I'll just avoid using it ever in Godot, but apparently it's good. Who knows? They're telling me it's good. It's usable. Yeah, that like almost looks good, but it's like really fucking annoying.
At Bitlytic.
What? What's up?
You look at the boss bar as a little shiny thing on the end cap.
Yeah, I said it looks good.
Yes. If I export it, how should I export that? Should I just add that onto the ends of these?
And
then that way it's hidden
so
behind
what is that?
this.
What is that bar going to be? What is the shiny part? Is that going to be like whenever the bar goes down, like with the...
We could do the thing where like
bar?
it's yeah,
it
where
has like
it has
smooth,
I was thinking this would just be on the end.
just permanently on the end.
Yeah, just because you were saying it would be like this where it like goes down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really like that. I think it should just be permanently on the end because also the boss bar is going to be big enough that it will go down slowly. Like the mana bar will like drop really fast, but the boss bar, like you're just gonna chip at it and it'll go down slowly.
You're gonna lurk and go work in your inventory system. Good luck, good luck.
Good luck.
So there will be definitely some sort of... I think that there will be something behind the boss bar that goes down in like the same way the mana bar does. I mean, it'll go down slower than the mana bar, but like I still think that will be a thing. Yeah, I mean, if you want to just...
I mean, you're the ones probably gonna be working with this, so.
I'm trying to think of like... I think that should be fine to just export it as part of the bar. Because with it being a 9-patch rect, so long as it's... Yeah, because the way that you have it set up, it's not like the mana bar where the segment's size matters.
Yeah.
So I can just 9-patch rect the right of it, and regardless of where it slides along the thing.
Yeah.
One thing to watch out for is the... Oh, that actually might be an issue. Is the actual boss bar size, like the background of it, because that is only going to be able to be that size because of all the decoration stuff on it.
Yeah.
Unless, actually, I'm assuming. So for that, would it be something like? I
mean, I can
like
make the backgrounds
is it's like
separate.
Yeah, so it's got like the decorations up here and down
out.
here. Yeah, and then the actual bar expands out, but the decorations stay centered.
That works, yeah. I can export it, so that works.
Yeah, if you can do that, that'd be sick.
Yeah. So...
in out. Maybe out. JW, can you take a look at this?
What?
So here's the card
okay.
forge.
Oh yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
How did you do that? I like it.
How did I do it? So the actual sticker menu has the stretch ratio on it, which is how much of the total screen it can take up. And so I just animated that over time. And then obviously there's this little bit at the end, but I can just hide it at the end.
Yeah.
So
I would honestly probably look better if you like faded it in, but I guess it expands. But
yeah, it does.
Oh, it does. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Does. Yeah, it's a little weird, but
I mean, I can slow it down. It is a little weird for sure.
But it looks nice. So.
Honestly, I could probably make the end ratio like 0.1, and then I don't know.
Yeah,
it's a bit of a bitch.
Is it possible to make like the contents like show up later? Because I think the weirdness is when the contents fade in, like as it's expanding.
A problem.
If it's not like a big deal.
Yeah, I would rather save that for more of a polish phase, especially since a lot of this UI is probably gonna be tossed anyways.
Yeah.
Once we do it like a redesign.
Is it possible to make that icon bigger? Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's the largest the icon's ever gonna be. Sorry.
No.
Yep. Give me a new atlas texture, please.
Sorry.
Start beginning your bird, twin.
Oh shit! Why do you look like that?
Probably because size.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. It's still small.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Damn. Oh shit. That's still quite a bit smaller than I think it should be.
Yeah. It looks nice actually, yeah.
Yay. I might add yeah, discover this card somewhere. Suck my nuts. I need to fix the tooltip because they're broken a little bit, but
yeah.
I also would like
you could also
to
maybe add the
make...
sticker tooltips.
Yeah, I was thinking about making the tooltip also generic because the way that the tooltip is working is it's bound to this menu because it's just part of this menu. But I'm thinking I might make it global so that anything can tell the tooltip, hey, I want you to display something.
Yeah, I agree.
So that if you hover over the stickers for long or the whatever's for long enough, it's like...
Yeah, I like it when things just tell you things when you hover over them. It doesn't hurt to give people just more information.
Should the cards do anything when you hover over them down here?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I was saying. I don't think they should affect gameplay, but I think it should, maybe. Because, like, you don't want to accidentally click on a card, like, in the middle of combat and, like, have it mess you up.
Yeah.
But, I mean, I was thinking it would, like, display the tooltip if you hovered over it, but... That's what I was mainly thinking.
Yeah.
But that could like mess with combat a bit.
Is this okay? This isn't being used anywhere. Whoa.
Whoa.
GD. Sticker packs are here. You are entirely useless.
Someone say Bitlytic, my favorite Godot YouTuber. You know, he's the programmer for Dante's Mind.
My favorite Godot YouTuber is Watt.
Yeah. I think he said he thought about maybe switching to Godot, but like thinks it's too I don't think he really likes the nodes. Because he doesn't he's said that he doesn't really like Unity, especially with all the stuff they've done. It's just like it's what he's been using for like forever.
Yeah. Fair
but
enough.
I think he's more of like a code guy. But I think maybe he just hasn't tried Godot enough. I don't know. Because I mean, Godot does have like a lot of code stuff. It
yeah,
could
you
be
can do
the
roll your own system for a lot of shit.
yeah.
Pack select.
Maybe I'll convince him someday. Actually, wait, does this need?
Oh my god, this goes so far up the fucking chain, dude.
Biddy, for this section right here. Oop, I'm not on my. Here we go. This little tube.
Give me 2 seconds.
Okay. 1. Sorry.
I am gonna kill you.
Please don't. That would be
Don't even-
detrimental to game development progress.
I'm okay with that.
This cat I'm drawing looks like a mouse. No. I need a cat.
It's probably true. Okay, did that work? I have no idea what I just wrote. I feel like I just entered a fugue state.
Mm-hmm.
That didn't work. Oh shit. Oh, because you're supposed to emit 2 things. Oops. Count. Int. Did you answer Flippo in chat?
Oh, can I spam your DMs with cat drawings? Yeah. Or you can just post them and you should just post them in my server. Nobody cares if they're bad. They probably aren't bad because you're great at drawing.
Okay, that works. Cool. Okay, what was your question? Sorry, GW.
This
Oh,
section here, should this be 2 pieces or 1? Should it be like this front? Oop. Like the this piece should just be separate in the back.
Yes.
Okay.
I think. Yeah. Probably. I can do gradient textures. If not, we have gradient textures.
No.
We have technology.
No, you're not
Why
doing
do you-
gradient textures.
I don't understand your hatred for gradient textures. Like 2 weeks ago,
We're
you were
not
like, "Dude, I
doing
love gradient textures."
I
and
did
now
never
you're like,
said.
"I hate
I
gradient
never said
textures."
that I like gradient textures.
Okay, buddy. JW erasure.
I never said that I like gradient
That
textures.
works. I should also add a little thing that is.
I actually hate gradient textures.
Okay, that works fine enough. I think we're good there. It's maybe a little jarring, to be honest. Gradient textures. No, gradient textures. Gradient textures is a great thing, so I'll show you really quickly.
Green textures. Yeah.
Yeah, gradient textures are really sick. 'Cause if I go up here and
This
I
guy
add a new
loves
scene,
gradient
and I
textures.
do a sprite 2D, you can either, a lot of people will use the icon to SVG that comes with Godot, but I hate the Godot icon. So instead what I'll do is I'll use the gradient texture. And you can do some really cool things with this. Like if I make this white, and if I make this transparent, and then change the fill to radial and set these 3 to 0.5, now we have a circle. But you may be like, okay, well, you're using a pixel art game that looks like shit. Well, surprise, bitch. If I go to interpolation, turn this to constant, now it's a pixel art circle. Yay! And also you can do some really cool things with it. So like if I were to move this down, or sorry, if I remove this and change the repeat to repeat. If I were to make this smaller like so, and then change this fill option here, you can create some really cool looking effects if you feel like it. Should you? I don't know, but it looks cool. The art of gradient textures will never cease to amaze me.
The greed of gradient textures.
Hey, look at that, dude. That looks sick. It's all gone. Yeah, this is a little jarring. Maybe I'll change it to be like 0.5 or something.
I don't know, it doesn't seem terrible. I don't see what you mean jarring.
It's the weird thing is like if I want to select and unselect a card, I have to,
Oh,
like,
yeah, it like slides.
I have to like
over.
left right my which feels wrong. I don't know exactly what the play for that one is. I mean, obviously you'd probably have more cards, but like this isn't particularly an enjoyable experience.
You could just have it. I don't know.
Oh no. I think I know what you were about to say.
What was I gonna say?
I don't know. Actually, I don't know if you were about to say it, but I was like, it could stay this size forever and it could be in the center of the screen. Whenever you click it, it moves it to the left. But I don't like that.
Oh, I was thinking it would just stay the same size and just always be on the left. And then just the sticker
I mean, it
pops
could.
out.
It could. We'll see what that looks like. How hard would that be to implement? Because you're an HBox container. I think you could probably just be a margin container, and you could be set to layout container sizing. You will be horizontal. Oh shit, no, you're gonna be a problem, aren't you? Yeah, you are. What are you? Oh, yeah, okay. So you could actually just be a control then. Set to fill, and you could be set to transform anchors, full erect, and you could be set to full as well, and then custom. Yeah, there we go. And then what if I were to set you to 1? You're gonna do that stupid fucking thing you do, regardless, whatever. Anchor left, we'll go to 1. No. Yes. Yes. Holy shit. Is that Legend of Dragoon soundtrack?
Whoa.
Yeah, you're still really upset about that. That's weird. I actually can't click on it now. Oh, because of you. You're stopping mouse input, you bastard. Ugh. Why are you partially transparent? Don't do that. Oh, I know why you're partially transparent. Fuck. Kind of. It's like that, JW?
Yeah, like that.
Oh my god, I have your stream on. Fuck me.
Oh, that's really awkward. Yeah, it does look better, but some kind of gap in the sides it doesn't
You
like.
want the gap there?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, twin.
whatever.
Yes, twin.
TSBMO.
Yeah, I think maybe we'll have like themed boss bars, but this one's kind of cool. But I feel
Like this.
like what? Yeah, like that. Feels like it fixed the weird
Yeah, it's because it was only noticeable because this one was snapping from like right here to over here in one
yeah.
frame. So because this one isn't moving, you can still see it. The
yeah, it's just
sticker
not
stays
as
there
like
a little bit.
jarring.
Yeah.
But again,
It's like
it'll-
honestly could be like
yeah, you could just make it like fade differently, maybe. I don't know.
faster.
Nah, but anything that's
Ooh.
worse.
It's because of I made this like too wrong. Like 1.9 or something. So
Is it embarrassing if the only songs I listen to are from video game soundtracks? Yes, yes it is.
No.
Very.
What? Don't let him say that to you. He listens to Lofty.
Who's Lofty?
He's holding back so much. He's holding so much back.
Yeah,
If you look up performative male,
no,
you will
no,
literally
that's not
find
me.
everything that JW has picked up in the last month.
No, that's not. I just like them. Like some of the
In the last month,
that
you tried
have...
matcha, and you were like, "Oh my god, I love matcha. Matcha's so good. I've got a matcha, guys."
Am I just
Then
supposed
you're like,
to say I
"Sorry, I'm
hate
going
it
to a
even though it tastes
Leve
good?
concert. It's pronounced Leve."
It
Buddy,
was
buddy,
fun.
I don't believe it for a minute that you
I
listened
had
to that
fun.
fucking music before. Yeah, I'm sure you did.
Yeah,
You would have more fun at like a,
no.
at a different concert.
It was actually a very good concert.
Well, I'm glad you had a good time, but like,
Hey, I'm gonna make a new folder.
you would have had a much better time if you went to the Stardew Valley Orchestra like I did.
Yeah, maybe.
Stardew Valley Orchestra was fucking sick, nasty. Oh shit! I didn't show you guys the new sticker that I added. That I added and showed to JW. So it looks like shit here, but if I go ahead and add this, it punches a hole through the card, and now you can see through it.
Sorry,
Okay.
my bad.
Yeah, no, I would love to like talk to people.
my
Yeah, you
fault.
can see it punches a hole through the sticker or through the card, so you can actually see what's behind it.
Yeah, I can make it look
And you
better
can
because it
even-
looks kind of ugly right now.
Yeah, well, I made it work.
So how did you make that work? Do I want to know?
Do you want like an actual explanation?
Sure. What happens if you try to put other stickers on top of it? The negative should make it come back.
So the way that this works is it finds where the sticker is on the card and creates a mask specifically of the color that you've specified. So you'll see actually if I go into Godot and go pierce.tres, there's actually a cutout color here. So if I specify that this is anything other than the green, and if I save it, I believe whenever I reopen the sticker menu, yeah, you'll see now that only it's a little hard to see, but I believe the black border of it is cut out now. Let me redeal my cards real quick. Yeah, you can see kind of the border of the card is cut out. So the way that it does it is oh shit, my computer's not letting me zoom in. Okay, hold on. Yeah, I need to replace this fucking graphics card. This graphics card is fucked up. So it does like a flood fill, or it searches over the entire sticker and it masks out everything that matches the cutout color. And then it uses the built-in image tools for Godot to send all of those pixels over to the mask image. So on our... Sorry, I see something in chat out of my eye, but I gotta lock in on this real quick or else I'm gonna completely forget what I was talking about. So in the shader, we have this mask variable. And if I were to give this a texture, and you already fucking know where we're going with it.
This
Wait.
guy.
Wait, that's not working on that one. Hold on. Hand card GSPN. I believe this one. Yes, so this one actually already has one. Apparently. Where are you? Oh no, this was cut positions. No, what? Okay, well I have no idea what we're doing now, actually. I lied. Actually, I have no idea what's going on here. If I add a gradient texture, does this not... I believe it's 204 by 400. Okay, yeah. So I can specify any spot of the card that I want to cut. And so all of the white pixels get cut. And I basically just convert all of the green pixels from the sticker over to white pixels on this texture. And I only have to do that once when the card is created or when the sticker is added, so that it doesn't have to like recalculate that every frame. Oh shit, it's Foxen. Hello, Foxen. Love the tilty card hover effect. Let me show you it a little bit better without all of the shit on it. I'm also having a good day. How are you doing? We're having some grand old time over here. Ah, fucker. I left the mask on. Let's see, add a sticker pack. So let's go ahead and add... Where is negative? Yeah, we got such a fun, cool rotation effect. I fucking love this so much. Having a chill day today? Yeah, that's good. Is Sunday usually your day off? I actually don't remember. I don't know why I want to say it was like Thursday or some shit. No, never mind, that's Pirate Software. My fault. Is this
guy
Thursday?
loves Pirate Software.
I don't know why I remember that. I haven't watched Pirate Software in probably like a year. I also have never watched him live. Let's see. Okay, so the Forge menu does that now. I would like to reset this up every time you open this so it doesn't leave the menu open. So I'll probably do a... Forge UI.tcn.
Okay, all the boss bars.
Sundays, okay, yeah. Yeah. Are you exporting boss bars now?
Yeah.
Let's fucking go. Does this... Does visibility change get triggered when the top level node gets changed? If is visible in tree. So just print out is visible in tree. True. Okay, yeah, that's true. False. Yeah, sure. Okay, does this... So if I hide this and hide the menu, so it doesn't re-trigger, because it's not actually being opened. That's fine, because I can just... What? I can tell this... I can say open void, which will allow us to start this at the same state every time, which will be modulate A is 0 and anchor left is equal to 1, mayhaps. I think that'll be fine. And on show UI, I will do sticker menu dot n. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it is completely reset when you open the menu and you click on the card.
And the boss bar looks nice in game. So you can see.
Let's take a look at this. Let's show this boss bar. Holy shit, look at him. He's got a boss bar.
And then
For a cat live reaction over here.
Go like...
Whoa.
You can ignore it going out the other side.
The fucking prolapse boss bar goes crazy though. What if it was just
Look
like
at
that?
Wait, what?
What if it just like went out the side?
No.
Honestly, if you want to push that up, I can probably hook that up like now-ish.
Yeah.
I
Then
don't
I'll
think that you're touching any of the files that I'm fucking with. You'll fix what?
I'll fix the whole sticker and make it look better.
Oh, sure.
How does that work? Sticker. Where is it? Stickers. Is it just has to be the green color?
Yep. You can also change the color if you want to.
Oh, okay.
If you go to, it's called Pure Sticker.
Oh,
Watching this motherfucker interact with the Godot editor is
oh
really
wait,
funny.
I just did this instinctively, but I didn't
Yeah.
realize that you can open resources like that. I had been
Yep.
scrolling down
So,
here to stickers, and then like
yeah, you can
clicking
open
here, and then
everything
looking
like
for.
that.
I didn't realize you could open everything. I was just thinking like
Yeah, so if you
scenes,
go
so I
to-
went tried opening it like that.
Yeah, if you go to rendering, there is a section. Yeah, the cutout color.
Whoa. Whoa.
Also,
is-
if it was changed to a different render type, then cutout color disappears,
Oh, whoa. That's
and
so
it's only
cool.
saved for cutout stickers. So yeah, you can choose a masking color.
Okay.
So if you don't like having it be a bright ass green color, then you can change it from a bright ass green to whatever the hell you want.
Yeah. I guess I could also use that to make like the preview look nicer as well.
The preview will look nicer eventually. I
Yeah.
just haven't done it yet.
Okay. Sure.
Because I would also like the preview to be masked. Although I believe we were talking about maybe perhaps just showing like a hole punch hovering over the card.
Yeah, something like
I don't know if that's
that.
something that you still want
I
to.
don't remember if I
that
want a
you
hole
felt.
punch or like a burn hole or something like that. I'm not sure exactly which one.
Yeah.
Guess I can
The only thing that's not
try this
supported
again.
currently is like variable levels of opacity. But if that's something that you really want with
Yeah.
this, we can.
But no,
work
I
on
don't
that.
think we don't need that.
Okay. I mean, I can add it because I can just make the alpha. I can make it like a variable alpha test rather than just like a direct color check. Okay, are these? There's errors. You pushed up changes to the fucking sticker capsule dispenser and there's still errors in my fucking code. What happened? What did you do?
I don't know.
But no, you did make changes to this, but it's still breaking. What is this?
Don't worry about it.
Register stickers. Parse error for medium charge sticker T-Res parse error? What are you talking about? What do you mean? Medium charge sticker. What are
Did I
you
break
talking
it?
about, dude? Error condition lint resources has ID. It's true. I'm just gonna restart the project. That was my fault. I pulled changes from Godot and I didn't hit the reload everything fuck you button. Sorry about that. I didn't mean for that to come through on the microphone.
That's insane.
Yeah, medium charge sticker. Attempted to call function get script in base null instance on a null instance. What the fuck are you talking about, dude?
I think that looks nice. We'll try
Oh, I just can't edit this resource. What happened here? Simple upgrade sticker, ID this. There were no changes in this file. There were 2 changes in this file. 2 hours ago, there was a change here. Why?
Did I break it?
Maybe? I don't know. It looks like it's a UID issue, and I'm not sure why or what is causing it. I still am not 100% sure why the fuck UIDs exist, because they don't seem to be really fixing anything, I won't lie to you. But I've been told that they are a good thing, so Maybe they are. Are you not going to show me a multi-line blame? Ever. Stickers. Oh, you changed the art, which is fine. But I don't know why other things were changed. I just like kill the UID and like have this.
Maybe it doesn't
exist
magically
in a way
work,
that
you
doesn't.
know?
No, error can't open because is the UID for this broken? No. Let me turn off this fucking blame. I thought that was gonna be cooler than it is. Can any of the stickers be opened currently? Yeah, all of them except for medium charge. Why? What's the difference?
Oh, I completely forgot
just-
about the train. We still need to implement that at some point.
Well, I don't think that'll be in this.
Yeah, but I'm just saying at some point that's something that we should implement, and it's also just really cool.
It
I
is,
forgot
yeah.
about it. That would do well on social media too, you know?
Your 2% amounts here.
My YouTube short train. Actually, could even include that as like part of the pack open animation, like the train pulls up and drops off a pack and then it like opens up.
Oh,
That'd be
because
really
this is
sick.
using...
What am I doing? Add card.
What?
And
No, that's
sticker
fine.
pack.
Is it a texture issue? It was. I don't know how, but it was.
I broke something.
What did you just do?
Don't worry about it. I'll fix it. Wait, what is it called?
Ew.
Cut out? No, that's not it.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. I got it. What?
He broke things. He broke things.
What is it called?
Pierce?
Oh, it's called Pierce. Okay. Struggle.
Wait, what was why is this? Dude, I'm so fucking
I
lost.
set it to
What's
cut
going on
out.
here?
Why does it not work? I changed the cutout color. Now it hates me.
Wait,
It says a non-existent function. Oh, did I? Oh, I think I just did it. I think it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think you did it while you weren't
Yeah.
actually applying an upgrade to a card, maybe.
Yeah, probably.
Which I should definitely fix that. I should make it so you can only open that menu whenever that's happening. I don't understand.
Yeah, I don't think I popped up this, so that's not what I wanted to do.
Can you open up your sticker menu for a
Yeah,
moment?
it doesn't work, by the way.
Can you open your sticker menu?
Doesn't work.
Open your sticker menu.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. I just wanted to make sure. I want to see which ones are different on my end.
You got a raid. Alert,
have
you got a raid.
Huh?
You don't have alerts on.
Hello, Apex Pixelated. Hi. Hello.
He still doesn't
sorry,
have
what is...
alerts on, so I have to tell everybody.
Yeah. Why do I have a percentage charge sticker, but you don't?
I don't know. Probably accidentally
Weird.
deleted it somewhere.
Is it in your file system? It should be called medium charge sticker, or is it failing? Hello, hello, hello. You can make some dins.
What's
What are
it?
you making? What are you...
Sticker.
Go to your... God forbid you ask an artist. Yeah, so can you double click on medium charge sticker? Yeah, it doesn't actually edit it. Okay, so there is like an error with it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay,
it's
that's fine,
probably
then.
because I changed something. If
Yeah,
I
I
changed the
guess
art
so.
or something and then it didn't like it. Because yeah, there was some kind of merge change and I thought whatever I did would just fix it. But I guess it didn't like that. Oh, I forgot, it still makes the meow sound when you shoot, then change it. And your cutout sticker doesn't work anymore, by the way.
Cutout sticker doesn't work? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hmm? Weird. do you want to send me over the the texture?
Texture.
And for now, if you just want to work with like a fucking green circle, you can.
I can try the green, but I don't know. I don't remember what the green color is.
It was
I
just
guess
straight green. Like
Oh, it's just green.
it was like 00255.
I don't know what that. How to do that in here.
Go to the
Like
RGB
this.
section. Yeah. Or sorry, 255 for the green, and everything else is 0.
Okay. I see. Very green.
Yeah,
Oops.
that's usually
I-
what people use for green screens because it's
What happened? Where'd it go?
I don't know, Control Shift T. So
I'm like-
isn't this doing?
The fastest at working
This
on
is-
things.
Yeah.
Green.
Color equals bit cutout color. What? This
Oh,
should
why is
just
this?
be
It's funny. Review's
yeah, it's just
weird.
the editor preview. Hmm.
Should just use Unity.
I'm gonna kill you, I think. That might be the move.
There we go. Now it works. That's weird.
Yeah. What?
That looks nice, actually. Though I like that style.
Hmm. Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to.
Actually, it's gonna be even better. It's like a bullet hole. Have it be like
Yeah.
a. Maybe we could also have a hole punch or something as well.
Oh, you know what? It could
That's
be like
sick.
really cool.
Look at that.
Oh, that does look really sick. You know what'd be really cool? What if whenever you place the sticker down, rather than it being where you click on the cursor, like you click and then it goes like pop 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 pop, and it shoots like 3 or 4 of them, and it like eats holes out of it.
Oh, that would be really cool. Wait, yeah. But something's weird here with the outline.
Hmm?
Because it shows up, it like cuts out the outline too. It's interesting.
I don't. Oh yeah. Yeah, because the outline is like a part of the underlying shader,
Yeah, but that
because it's just like a texture that you're showing.
Yeah, and then we also need to hide the thing when it's equipped, but that does look cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it looks. Oh,
Sweet.
oh,
I guess I could just do this on
what
my end. I
the-
don't even need you to
what
just send me a
is-
fucking sticker.
Wait, what is Biddy? Biddy?
Oh. Oh no.
What is that?
Is it because your window size is different than mine? I didn't even think about that because I was like, there's no way that's going to be an issue. Fuck.
Yeah, it is.
No. Don't. Oh, dude, it took me so long to figure out how to get that math to work, and it doesn't even work on different window sizes for me. Okay, well, that's going to be in the drawing board. I'm going to have to fucking do that again. Whatever, it's
I think
fine.
that's not like absolutely necessary for the demo, but
It's not, but I would like to have it if possible.
there's also the weird pink flashing whenever the card runs out of mana with the negative sticker.
Yeah, I'm actually not 100% sure what the fuck is up with that, but
It seems to be because when it darkens, it like changes the threshold of the other ones. I'm guessing that has something to do with it.
but it runs everything in the current process, so it should like it's not like there's a shader running to make it pink and then a shader running to make it do the space stuff. It's like just a shader that runs
Yeah.
that makes it pink and does the space stuff. So I feel like it shouldn't even be affected, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'll have to revisit that shader. I've got a couple of other things that I can do with it that will make that not useful or not the thing that I need to do anyways. So
Yeah, also let me change the stupid sound pack so it's not constantly meowing. I know you can't hear it, but it's gonna annoy me.
I can't. Tragically. Oh shit, this doesn't even use the color.
Alright.
What?
Sounded
Gah?
confused.
I'm like stupid as hell, dude. Console.print color? Or no, I guess it would be sticker.cutout color. Oh, cool. Oh, you know what I could do actually? I could do I could do print color. And I could use I could do that. That way it prints out the actual color thing instead of just the red, green, and blue. That was weird. Sorry, did it print something? Oh, it did. Okay, cool. So that is... Oh god, that song. I need to get that song on my playlist, actually. It's so good, but it comes in so fucking rough.
Which one?
It's from Cave Story's beta soundtrack.
Oh, this guy in Cave Story.
Fuck off. You'll play Cave Story one day and you'll realize how wrong you are, or you're gonna complain about the art style the entire time, or it's some stupid artist shit.
Does it have a good art style?
It's pixel art. Now I'm curious why did both of us just select the wrong fucking color? Is that what happened?
It looks like it specifically flashes pink right after it brightens up again. It doesn't
Can you do me a
it
favor,
well.
JW? Can you change the color of the sticker back to the red that you had?
Yeah. Like the sticker and the threshold or whatever, or the color. Yeah, it doesn't work.
Can you go into a sprite really quickly? Wherever you have the thing, and can you color picker that red and pull up the hex value of it?
Same color.
Is it?
Yeah.
A53030, and you've got
A53030.
Can you click on the thing down there? What? A53030 is the one you're using. So let me...
Is it working on your end?
Kind of. I'm in index color right now, so I have to turn that off. Actually, I'm not, so I don't know why it's showing index whatever, but... Which color is it? Is it this one? Yeah, A53030.
It's the red.
Yeah, there's... Okay, Ben. Did that even change? It didn't. does. I'll reload
That's
it.
weird.
It
I could try reloading my project.
I don't know, honestly, because it's like... Oh, that's an issue with tweening I need to fix. Oh, that's not the card I wanted to add. I don't know why I did that. Oh, I can just... Yeah.
That's really weird.
Can you open up cardvisual.gg?
Mm-hmm.
I'm on Control L 239.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks like it's doing the exact same thing as mine. Do you
Although
have any... What are you...
yours is 239, mine's 237.
Yeah, because I have 2 lines of extra code.
Oh, okay.
That's really weird. Can you add a console.print before the loop that just prints out sticker.cutout color? Consoles capitalized.
I don't know how to...
Dude, motherfuckers that erase the entire line instead of just hitting home to make the word capitalized.
Do what?
Insane. You can hit home to go to the start of the line and then just make the thing capitalized.
Home? Where's home?
Oh my god, dude, we literally had this conversation like a week ago.
Oh, did we? Okay,
Yeah, it's above your arrow
I
keys.
see. I've literally never used that button before.
You did like a week ago when we had this conversation.
I don't think I did.
Oh, because you hit home and end and you were like, what the fuck? Why is that a thing?
Oh,
Sticker.cutout color.
Oh, okay.
And if you place the sticker down on the thing.
Okay, twin.
Okay, twi.
Twi.
6471, 182, 182. Okay. It's like close enough. I can. It's weird.
Yeah.
It's really weird.
Would it be because of the glow?
No, we have the same glow.
No? Okay. I just don't know why yours is working, but mine isn't. I mean, obviously yours is a different texture.
Wait. Can you do me a favor? Can you go down to line 200 and I'm assuming it's 46 for you on yours?
246.
Yeah. The color equals whatever. Yeah, can you just replace the equals with is equal approx?
What's this? What's this?
Wow. Also, if you have a function key on your keyboard, instead of doing home, you can hold function and do left and right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What am I doing?
Now check to see if that works. So if you go to the forge and just open it up, it should, the one inside of there should re-render.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, okay, so it does. Okay, so it's interesting. So, Oh, you know what? Actually, might be the case.
What? I don't know what.
Oh, that would be so fucking funny.
What if I just remove the entire card?
Wait. What if it's Windows 11?
What do you mean? What if it's Windows 11?
Hold on, no. Hold on. Can you do me another favor?
Hold
And
up,
I
I'm
need
eating the
you.
card.
Okay, yeah, we'll give it a. You can keep eating the card. You don't have to restart the game. Can you just go back to your? Please go back to Godot. Please, for the love of God, go back to Godot for just a moment. Can you go up to line 236?
236. 236. There's nothing there.
Yep. Add a new variable.
Oh, okay.
Just call it temp and set its type to color. And then can you scroll back down to the loop?
Mm-hmm.
And on 249, kick down a line and set temp equal to color. And then can you go down and leave the loop?
Mm-hmm.
And can you just do a regular print of sticker.cutoutColor? Or well, actually, hold on. I'm gonna write you a bit of code really quickly that I need you to do.
Okay. What? What are you doing? Oh, I see. I think. I don't know. Doing magic.
Okay, can you paste this block in your thing? Save it, and then you can go back to doing your eating the card thing. I just need you to copy paste one of the
What
messages that comes
is
out of that for
that?
me. Huh?
I don't. That looks scary. Oh.
Don't worry about it. Oh, Discord. That's the only correct one. Just
Oh.
highlight the spaces on line 252. Control Shift and then like left. Oh, that works too.
Wait,
Control D.
Control D.
Just Control D.
Oh, that's smart.
Yep, and then just erase and then tab. You're gonna have to do it one more line down.
That's cool.
Okay. All right, and then save it. Then you should be good to place another sticker. And I just need you to copy that console output and send it to me.
Yum, 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 yum. Console output.
All right, thank you.
My pleasure. I will continue eating the card now. Go with that for now. How does this look in game? It looks so cursed. That outline is all messed up.
That's very... Wait. What? Okay, well then there's something else going on actually. Can you go back to your Pierce Bullet resource?
A second. Wait.
Yeah, can you click on cutout color over there?
Yeah.
And can you set it to the linear section on the right? 0.376.03.03. Is that the same as mine? Yes. I don't understand what's actually happening. So it looks like, and I'll actually pull this up. I'll show the output. That is, my output is this, and then JW. So what I did was I logged out the color that was stored on the sticker, the red, green, and blue channels to like float precision, and
Mhm.
then the color that was from the image that was read in. So for some reason, sorry, I'm gonna have to ask you to go back and to do something in the editor.
Okay.
Can you right-click on Pure Sticker inside of the file system and open in your Windows or in an external program?
Wait, what sticker? This one?
Pure sticker.tres, like the tres
Oh,
file.
here.
Yeah, and then open an external.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm curious now. What do you got in there? Card, Pierce. I don't know why I didn't already have mine open.
I don't know. That's a good question.
Yeah, your colors are different.
It's weird.
Despite the fact that... Can you go into Godot real quick?
Godot.
Here. And can you... Instead of using that, can you just copy the hex value?
The hex
And
value.
paste it into the hex field. Yeah.
Does this mean that our palette is...
And then hit enter. Yeah, hit
Oops.
enter. It's okay.
I did hit enter, but...
You did hit enter. Okay. Can you then check the Visual or Control S and Visual Studio Code? Is it different? Okay, so now it is the correct color. So
What
it
do you
looks
mean?
like, yeah. So it looks like the palette thing here is for some
really
reason
funny.
not. That's like fixable is the thing. Dante palette T-res. I just have to go into the palette file and fix it manually, I guess. How are these? Okay, these are... Yeah, float imprecise. Okay. Well, either way, so it's fine. It's just an issue with the palette, I guess. But using the is prox equals works.
Okay.
It's just that they are ever so slightly off, but like not enough for it to matter.
Back to eating my sticker or card.
Back to eating your sticker. You're eating your card. Om nom nom nom. Anything but working on Dante's 9.
True. I would hate to work on Dante's 9.
Shit, twin. Bar tween is a tween. Sick. Oh wait. No, sorry, this is the wrong place. It is sticker menu. Dude, what if we hosted like a really big Stardew Valley server? That'd be so cool.
Probably get me to actually play Stardew Valley for more than like 5 minutes. Actually, probably not.
Why doesn't this tween.kill? Weird.
Looks so funny.
Oh, because the background.
That's kind of sick though. Maybe we should make the shadow also have the holes.
Oh, I didn't even check to see if the fucking sticker menu thing was doing what I asked it to. Oops.
It looks so cool when you over it though.
Why doesn't it?
Oh, that's funny. The old ones don't show up. Wait, did they show up in that? Oh, that's weird. So the first two that I added show up in this menu here, but not in the game. I think it's because I updated the thing after this, so the rendering for this had already been like applied or whatever. I run this out. I guess I just redeal. If I redeal, does that? So yeah, there we go. If I redeal it, it does the thingy.
Oh, because of this. I see. I see. I see. I see.
Oops. No, I broke it. No, my stickers. Rip. Ugh. Okay. Well, what else is there to work on? I added the boss bar and made the whole sticker. Let's go through the relics that we still have. Remote detonator. Deal damage to enemies nearby. That's the plasma ball. Increased attack speed
Cool, that works out.
relic. Oh yeah, that was gonna be a pack of sodies.
Shouty. Pack of shouties. Okay, that works. I'm happy with that for now. That's where stickers will show up.
Zoomies energy
Up.
drink.
If I reopen this, so that you shouldn't be able to exit the menu while it's like this, I think. I mean, definitely. I don't know why I'm saying I think.
I think.
So let's see. Forge.
It's actually
I don't know why I'm
really
doing that.
great
It's literally
argument.
this top level script. It's close to emit. Should only be allowed to be killed if what? If this isn't currently being used. Do I have a sticker upgrade UI? Your course called sticker UI. Sure. Sticker UI. Put upgrade UI in here. Start selection. If upgrade UI dot visible. Do this. Yeah, okay, so I can't close the menu until that goes away, and then I can. Cool. And that's gonna break because there is no. What? Huh?
Huh?
Invalid assignment of property or key visual with type of. Oh, with type of previously freed. I see. And is instance valid. I should definitely add more of these safeguards all over the place because, like, ideally you shouldn't be in a situation where you're doing these debug things, but like, I guess they show us where like failure points can happen.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. Like here. I guess I should actually probably do if not card visual turn, probably. I love bug fixing. It's my favorite. Oh shit. That's oddly visible. Where are you being called from? Console? No, console. Print. Stack. Oh, actually, I can't. Oh, yes, I can. Set this on sticker selected, on selected. Sticker selection GP. Sorry, where are you? Sticker debug selected, on sticker selected. Do you know about the card visual? I guess you don't. Huh. I guess I could also just do like if is visible in tree. I could do a check for this and just return if it's not. That way it doesn't do weird shit. But at least do slightly less weird shit. I am curious why that isn't displaying all of the added cards. Hmm. I see what you're doing. You're doing that. Hmm. Well, actually, sticker place. Hmm. Hmm. There we go. Okay, now they actually render.
Let's go.
So now you can actually see where all of the fucked up and evil cards are, instead of me just like wiggling my mouse a little bit and everyone having to trust that I am in fact holding down the debug add sticker button. Look at that damage. Look at that damage.
I want to see.
Surely it'll do something.
Oh dear, that looks
Cool.
scary. Oh, nice. Why is it a double negative?
I don't know.
What did you do?
Alright. Oh, because did I add heavy bullets to these? I did. Cool. Oh, because it's minus and then the amount of damage dealt, and you're not supposed to do positive damage, so it's... Or you're not supposed to do negative damage. So it's like minus 10.
That's
See how the damage number
so
pops
weird.
up the negative and then 10 because you're dealing 10 damage, but because you're dealing negative damage, it shows up as negative.
Why is it dealing negative damage?
Because it overflowed.
Oh, okay. I don't know how that works.
Yeah. Well, because like if I were to add a sticker pack and then add this, you'll see that the damage number grows faster and faster. And then eventually it reaches the limit of integer, which is like 4 billion or something.
4 billion. That's like
Allegedly. Eventually this will loop back around into negative numbers, and now it's negative. And then you can't like increase the damage anymore because it's like fucked up and evil.
sounds evil.
It is. Okay, well now I'm curious about the Pierce sticker. because does this work on this one? This does. All gone. No more card.
No.
Oh, and the cursor's fucked up. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, and that's going to lag because I actually have so many things there. Oopsies.
Burrs.
I should maybe cache that. I should 100% cache that, actually. I don't know why the fuck I wouldn't. Excuse me. Okay, it's like right at 5. I'm gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna run to the bathroom and get something
Alright.
to snack on. So, good luck, good luck.
Oh, I guess I have to be entertaining now. I'm making sodies. As you can see. You should go like that. What if there's four sodies? Like this. Look at all them sodies. Look like that, or should they be down a pixel like this? Or maybe over? Yeah. Like that. I don't know how to draw my sodies. I think I like that. Let me compare. Duplicate it. Got one like that. Okay, then we got one like that's how that one is. Like that. Maybe that's too many sodies. Maybe it should only be 3. But I feel like the 3 is too small. Maybe sodies should be bigger. Let's take it back to 1. What if we make them 1 pixel wider? And 1 pixel taller. Wait, that works like perfectly. What the heck? Got big sodies now. I'll keep the little ones just in case. Maybe these guys should go up a pixel. Maybe? Like that. I think the bottom one feels alright, but I'll keep them to compare. This needs a little highlight. Bigger highlight. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Here, got little sody versus big sody. You can see how that looks.
Okay, I'm back.
Hey,
Hello.
we're doing little sody versus big sody to see how it looks.
Oh, little shouty.
We could
Let's
try
see,
to
sorry, let me turn
squeeze
off
the
the
cat in there.
squish that cat. Yeah, that definitely needs to be cached. Holy shit, the lag whenever it opens with 8 gajillion pierce stickers. That's okay. Probably. Potentially. Let me actually, I'm gonna do something maybe fun.
Uh-oh.
Which is a little rare, I know.
Yeah.
I kind of want to mess around with the sticker capsule opening.
Yeah. Okay, Biddy, I have sody questions for you.
Sure,
Which
let's
one of
go.
these sody packs looks better? Which one looks more like the sody?
Yeah, sorry. I'm like. Give me a moment.
Nice.
There's like parts from each of them that I really like, which pisses me off.
Okay, well then tell me which parts you like.
The one that I like the most is the top one. However, I don't like that it's an 8-pack. I wish that there was some way you could take that design and just like scale it up a little bit.
Yeah, that's
the
what I tried doing with the other ones.
Yeah, the second one, or sorry, not the second one. The third one, the rim feels too bright, I guess, like compared to the rest of the top of the can.
What does?
The rim.
This, like here?
Yeah, on the third one though.
Oh, the third one. Oh, this here feels too bright.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can try like smaller.
And then on the bottom one, I like the idea of having the cat there, but it just kind of it ends up making it a little muddy. Like if you're just like squint your eyes, it kind of just becomes like a muddy mess. Okay. So I honestly don't know. I really don't know.
Okay. Well, then I'll figure it out. But that's helpful.
Okay.
So I have ideas now.
Oh no, he's got ideas. Run. Run.
Yeah, alright.
Let me make a new scene. It's just like the fucking sticker animation. Excuse me. Sorry.
So here, I made them a little bit taller, which I think helps to match with like the first one, as you were saying.
Hmm.
It's a little taller. I think I like these ones. Go with those.
these texture rects? They are.
Do you want me to like export those separately? Because you're not going to be able
No.
to animate anything.
What do you mean?
Okay, good luck.
Well, it wasn't gonna have the thing pop off of it, but what do you mean by
Oh, well, that's
export? I add
lame.
separately.
That's lame.
But what do you mean
No
separately?
popping off. Like the
do you
top
mean?
part and the bottom
Oh,
part.
I mean, if you want to do that, sure, but like, if there's other art that you can be working on, this is like fine to do. I've ever tried Unity? I did. I used Unity for a few years. Just wasn't a fan of it. I don't know if there's much more to say about it than that. Let's see. Blah, 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 blah. Gomez, I see you over in JW's chat. You missed my joke earlier, and I'm kind of sad. Someone was talking about the different types of fruits that are actually considered berries, and none of the...
JW, can you help me out? Yes, I can. What do you need?
Most fruits that are called something something berry are not actually berries. For an exception is blueberry, because berry was just a generic term that means small fruit. And I said, holy shit, Moaz is a berry. And I thought you would appreciate that.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Jeff, what do you need?
Oh, because this isn't a sprint. You're going to be a bitch. I'm not using a texture rect. Sorry. Be better.
Oh yeah, also, I don't think I'm gonna stream on Tuesday either, because I think I have another concert that I forgot about.
The fuck?
Yeah, I
Who's it
had played
for?
it from before, Thundercat.
Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be some shit like
No, it wasn't.
Claro or whatever the fuck.
Hey, Mr. Jeff.
Some more performative
How do you draw
shit.
limbs? Yeah, I don't know either. Good luck, twin.
Wow. Beautiful answer.
Look on Pinterest. And then just
Wow.
like copy whatever they have on Pinterest. Just look
I'll
up
be
like
cooking with that
cat
one,
drawing
actually.
or like cat pose.
Cat pose. I don't know
Yeah,
if you should look that up on Pinterest. Sure.
hey dog.
Did you know that you can add
No.
you can add overshoot and undershoot in like overshoot mainly, I guess, inside of the animation player.
Oh, wait, do what?
So like this, do you see how it just kind of goes from like 0 to 1?
Yes.
And like we can change the easing mode on it. We can do like ease out, so it like shoop. You can also change this to be cubic. I believe this should just work. Okay, well it doesn't because of something.
How
I
are you
think if
not
I do
fired
this-
from Tempura Cat Games yet? Because I am Tempura Cat Games.
It's a little hard
yeah.
to see, but there's like
I don't know what you're saying.
I'm trying to think of how to explain it. Don't worry. Oh yes, you can see that if I do this, it goes over it, which doesn't look particularly good, but it like overshoots.
Yeah, that
over
looks
the
kind of
thing.
terrible.
Yeah, it does, but it's something that you can do and like play around with and like
Yeah.
experiment with. But I don't know. It's interesting that it's a thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that looked fucking like shit.
Kind of does.
Fuck you.
Oh,
I hate you.
so this relics that I have left to draw are increased damage per enemy killed for the room, larger hand size, and double jump. The only one that's like a really, I have just no clue is increased damage per enemy killed per room. Like I have no clue what that would be.
Some kind of skull or something, or some kind of like.
We already have a skull.
Okay, it could be like a fire or like a. I don't want to say that. I don't want to say that. I don't want to say it.
Whatever you
But
gonna
it's such
say,
like a
I don't
cool.
wanna
It's
know.
such a cool idea that I don't want to say it.
Type it in
What if it was like
Discord.
what? No, it's. I will say it after we come up with a concept for the card or for the sticker.
Okay, chat, help me out here. Here's where Lukaiza would probably be helpful. Because, like, lore stuff. Just coming up with random
Yeah.
ideas he's good at.
What could it be? What if it just said like combo or some shit? Like it just said the word combo.
No.
No,
You're
you don't
not
like stickers
cooking
with
with that
words?
one.
Okay.
Also, it's a relic, not a sticker.
Oh, this is a relic.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Would a melee parry sticker that deflects projectiles be possible? Yes. And that will be a sticker. Biddy, is that
Just saying,
possible? Can we do that?
knows that?
Can we do that?
Huh?
Is that something we can do?
Yeah, it's something we can do.
Yeah, so we are planning to do that, yeah.
Alright, bud. Okay, pal. Maybe this needs to be a little bit further down. Just kind of fucking with shit right now. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that looked like shit. Maybe you need to be further down.
Solution.
That's what.
I messaged Lukaiza.
What? Oh, because you're not set to queue. Like the. You can be set to this. Yeah. No. Wow. That looks weird. Oh, it looks like it's being thrown at you. Holy shit. Shit, can you look at this?
Oh, hold up. What?
It looks like it It looks like it's being fucking thrown at your fucking
Came to your stream
that's so
since the
wicked.
other person wasn't answering
What?
my question. What was your question?
Huh? Oh.
Video is not reading chat. Animation.
Yeah,
driven
sorry,
hitboxes
I'm-
are hard coded. So for hitboxes, usually they're just attached to like. I think we would just do hard coded. I'm not exactly sure what your question is asking, but we don't really use like animations. Our hitboxes aren't like animated really.
They probably will be at some point, I'd imagine.
Yeah, maybe. Lukaiza says evil crystal that gobbles souls.
Ooh, like a soul
Kinda
gem
like
from
that.
Skyrim, kinda.
You say that like I have any idea what that is.
You never played Skyrim?
No.
You fucking heathen.
I'm like 12. I'm a legal adult. Twitch, I am not 12. That was a joke.
Alright, buddy.
Keep forgetting I can't say that.
Oh, you know what? How about we just make both of these fucking E's out, whatever. Sure, dude. Close enough for me. I don't care. We're happy with that. I'm happy with that at least. It's a little closer to the bottom, and then it just fucking... And then, it'll have, like, some fucking... And then it'll, like, spawn. It'll open up. Actually, let me make this spawn... Where are all of the particles at, by the way, JW? Are they just like...
All the particles?
Oh, generic particles, I found that.
Guys, I suggested a soul lantern. Like, we already have that. Can't do that. Hee hee.
this would be kind of cool. Actually, I want to make this like kind of shake a lot. I guess I could do that with you're working on your own game. Your key boxes keep being early. You don't want to hard code it. Yeah, animation players are nice for making sure that everything is timed correctly. You can also, we don't. Okay, so that actually tells me a little bit more about your question. So, for example, in some of our other, God, what is one of the fucking things? Like Sword? I think Sword uses the animation now, right?
What does Sword use? The what?
Is this through? Yes, this is through the animation player. So, for Sword, we actually turn the hitbox off at a certain point. Well, normally you would have this be disabled by default.
Okay, we're going with
so
Evil
it's not
Crystal
actually
thing.
on.
I don't know what it'll be called, but...
And then after a certain point in the animation, we turn it on. Which this looks really funny in slow motion. I thought this animation was better than just like a rotation, but
nope, that's
it.
it.
Goes crazy. That's the whole thing.
But like,
yeah, we just kind of yeah, like
yeah, I guess
for
the
this
timing
is really nice.
it is. Yeah.
You can also do call method tracks are also really nice for that. I actually did use animated hitboxes through the animation player in my old project that I was working on for a while, which was like for the spear attack there was like a 3-hit swing, and I would move the hitbox forward as the spear came out on the last one, which actually felt decent, to be honest, but I don't know how much animated or how many animated hitboxes we're gonna have in that Dante 9. Do I want to hard code this animation, or do I want to just have this? Should I just have this shake in like code? I think I'll have it shake in code.
Shaken in code.
All right, buddy. That's enough out of you.
Why is there an Evil Godot plushie? Because I drew an Evil Godot plushie. That's why. See, this is why it's great to be an artist. You can just draw things.
Wait.
And then they exist, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Okay, so question.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if anyone would know this, but Godot is open source, and like,
yeah.
Do they maintain IP rights on the Godot icon, or is it like open for anyone? Like, if we made and released a commercial game where the Godot icon was like an enemy,
like I don't see what. I mean, it's literally in the project when you start. Like, they're not going to. I don't think you can get like sued for using.
Well, that doesn't mean anything actually.
Oh, am I stupid then? Okay, I don't know.
The icon is open to everyone, you think? Okay. My next question is, what about a derivative of Godot?
There's also the Godot plushie like 3D model that people put in their games. That like has been created that people put.
So my next question is, what about derivative Godot versions? Like maybe like a specific red one that I'm thinking of right now.
This guy.
Like what if a specific evil red version of Godot existed? Would it be up to IP law, or like could you?
No clue.
Could you perhaps use an evil Godot version as an enemy in your game and make them the main villain?
Oh, I think I get what you're saying.
It's an interesting one, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, that looks terrible. Let's not do that. Let's kill that.
I looked over for a second. Were you drawing double tap root beer?
What?
Were you drawing double tap?
No.
Fucking Call of Duty? That's
No.
what it kind of looked like out of the corner of my
I
eye.
have zero clue what you're talking about.
Have you never? You've never played COD Zombies?
I did a
you?
little bit, but only like some random ones, and not like a lot.
Really? So it's like not the. Can you undo and bring back the thing that you drew, please? Just for a moment. Oh my god.
My monitor is
like-
turned off. Yep, there we go.
If you like squint your eyes, it's like. It's like the same.
It's not. It's
No, it
completely-
totally is.
Bro is seeing exactly
got
what
the-
he wants to see.
Because you've got the center thing, and then you've got your
You are seeing
That-
what you
No,
want
no,
to
no,
see.
no. Absolutely. Absolutely, I see that.
Alright, buddy.
100% I see that.
It's like Patrick Star.
It also does look like Star, Patrick.
Star, Patrick.
Let's see.
But yeah, the only Call of Duty game that I played a lot of was Infinite Warfare,
Oh yeah, I feel like I remember that.
which was like the Titanfall one. That was
Yeah.
kind of cool, but and then the
Mm,
zombies on that I played a little bit of, but not a lot.
mm.
But it was cool because it was like Titanfall, and like Titanfall's a really good game, you know.
Yeah.
It looks like a thick drawing of Patrick.
That's crazy.
Alright, buddy.
Current time equals delta.
Yeah, I've never really been a big Call of Duty fan. Titanfall is peak C. They know what's up. Bitlytic.
What?
Nothing.
Okay.
Here, actually, I have an idea. Where's my swords that I drew? I'm pretty sure I drew a crystal in there somewhere. I can just copy paste.
How long is streaming to go for? I don't know.
12
Probably not
hours.
super long. Also, I'm going a bit nuts. A little bit. Yeah, probably. You're like probably right on that one.
Aren't we
Ever
all?
so slightly.
Open.
Do I not have a
I'm
folder
also
for
like
Forge? I guess I
hungry,
have
but
sticker.
that's okay. I don't
Oh,
need
right.
to eat.
I guess I could actually make this a tool script and run this in the editor, couldn't I?
Which one of these had a crystal on them?
Right. Do this and then that, and
So
then do a
I
tool
have
script,
you.
and then I can have you. Assist. Oh. Wow, you're moving a lot slower than I
The
thought
only
you
one that
would.
had crystals.
Yeah, we're American. I think both of us also have the. Oh, actually, you're probably talking. Are you talking about us being American? We're definitely American. Like as fuck.
We are?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Are you
Just
not?
checking. I was just checking.
Name all 50 states.
No.
Wait, what state would you start with if I said name a state or like name all 50 states? Where would you start?
I don't know.
I don't know why, but my gut instinct was to say Delaware, which is like technically correct because it was the first state, but like that's fucked up that I said in my brain Delaware. What am I doing in here, dude? Oh yeah, this
Wait, what is
thing.
this?
I need you
oh,
to
it's the one
have
around here.
a export R, shape, shrink. Mississippi's a state, huh? Sometimes. Depends on who you ask. Okay, it's definitely a speed factor. I need this to speed the fuck up. Add export bar shake speed.
It's not plagiarizing if it's your own art.
Oh, you're fucking grabbing a crystal from your old art. It's crazy.
Yeah. I forgot how to draw.
Many such cases. Oh wow. What
Doesn't
noise
look
is this
nice.
using and why does it look like that? Hmm.
What is that?
I don't know why the noise is so weird. I'm gonna just export a fucking fast noise light. No, I'll assign it myself. Who fucking cares? You're just a simplex smooth. Nah, your ass is cellular with fucking fractal warping on.
Whoa, that's kind of tough.
Whoa, that's kind of whoa.
Base price the go-to 2D. Yeah, for pixel art at least.
Mm-hmm. Hey, cellular, why are you putting a different thing? Weird. Whoa, that's fucking weird. Dude, noise functions are so cool. Yeah, I don't know if this is the right. What if I set you to like 1500? Oh shit, dude, he's fucking going crazy. So we'll start with 0 shake strength and shake speed. And then we will go you, bop, and bop. We will very quickly go up to your 150. No, not 150. Shit. Yeah, you're gonna be going all over the place. Whatever, get back here.
Here we go, look at that. We got Evo Crystal now.
This shit, like, probably increase quite quickly. Much quicker than that, actually. What the fuck? I don't know how to animate noise.
Many
Okay.
such cases.
Probably less noise and more speed works. Yeah, oh, because I forgot to keyframe this. Yeah, duh. And then we would go scale. I want you to move down to like, I don't know, 5. No, not like that. And I also don't want you to be cubic.
This guy hates cubes.
Would you be an ease in and then probably be a very quick poo that like goes out? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, like a
Yeah. Sure. Twin.
not like that. That is a very, very fast animation. What the fuck? Maybe I am going nuts.
Yeah.
Maybe they were right about me.
Insane lytic. Oops. Okay, how many more items do I have to draw?
8 gajillion.
Oh, the guys will set up like a black hole or something. Could be cool. Where it
Hmm.
like numbs them up and then gives you more damage. Look it up.
Dante's 9 Vor sticker.
No.
Yep. Wow. Yeah, I think there definitely needs to be like some sort of particle or something in front of this to like hide the.
What is this guy doing?
That.
See it? Oh, I don't see it. I
Yeah,
want
we're
to see.
doing some. It's the ending needs a little bit. Also that needs to be a little bit longer. Maybe build up faster. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do. I built a little thing that makes it shake though,
That's cool.
which is pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't do perfect. I mean, even the Balatro pack open animation, Loki kind of sucks. It's kind of lame.
A little bit. I wonder if
What?
I could also make this rotate side to side a certain amount.
I do like that, actually.
I actually don't know what that's probably gonna. Oh, that might be a little bit too much. Well. Oops.
Yeah.
It's very funny.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, let me. Fuck this song, dude. Stop showing up. Bitch. Oh, cool. Thank you, Go, for telling me that that's not actually a valid thing. Whatever, dude. Oh, and you're supposed to be... Go back to 0, you bastard. You bastard. All two. Hi. Hello. Hi. Sorry.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, I love being regular
Yeah,
in the way that I'm
very
regular and cool and regular and normal. Dude, Godot, I'm gonna get angry. You're 0. You've always been 0. Fuck, what is the name of that sticker without looking? Is it Ohio? Is that what that is? Oh, let's look. Yeah. Ohio. Good shit.
Okay.
Yeah, I used 4.5. We used 4.5.1. Because if you're not using the latest Godot, probably have a reason. Because it's really good. Come in here, dude. Thank you.
Meow 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 meow
Meow, meow,
meow
meow.
meow meow.
What are you singing? What are you meowing along to right now? What is
I'm
it?
just improvising over the jazz that we're listening to.
Oh, unfortunate.
This guy hates This guy
Yeah, you got
hates
this, buddy.
jazz.
Yep, this is true. Why is it not rotating? Am I like dumb?
What's the cat doing? I'm not a cat. Don't call me that.
Don't call me that.
Don't call me that. About jazz. I love
Alright,
jazz.
buddy. Okay, buddy.
No, I love jazz. He hates jazz.
This is true. Oh, I think if I just made this like
Number one jazz hater. Right here, Mr.
Oh.
Bitlytic.
Yep. Rotation equals derp f from rotation to this over like I don't know, half. That's not half.
You don't like jazz? It's kind
Oh,
of evil.
fire.
Least evil Bitlytic viewer.
True. I love my evil viewers. So evil and viewer.
Yeah.
Okay, I think this being 1 is potentially too high of a value.
You're asking who doesn't like jazz. Oh.
Why are we screaming in
Everybody
chat?
likes jazz. Roasting key writing constants, right?
I don't. Is this like just missing audio, or am I like?
Okay.
Look at the way it's
Calm down.
shaking.
Nice.
It's vibrating. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's because of.
What game are you
being
making?
Dumb.
It's kind of like Fortnite,
Nope.
but it's 2D.
Wrong.
I think that looks good. Here, I can put it on screen. Maybe to see while I decide what relic I draw next. Trying to make an RPG game, but there are no videos for 4.5.1. Well, thankfully for you, it doesn't really make a big difference what version the tutorial is in.
This is true.
Yeah, basically as long as it's Godot 4 of some variety, it'll work 99% of the time.
Yeah, JW, is this fire?
Alright, hold up, let me see. Yeah.
Yeah. I think that should be the animation.
I like that, yeah.
Might be fire. That might be the play.
Low-key tough. Tough as tuna.
I think it's disappearing way too slow, potentially. Yeah, something like that, and then like a some sort of
See a video of the
that
code
shows
is
up.
not in 4.5.1. Yeah, it doesn't make a difference. It's the same.
It doesn't.
It's the same code.
For the most part, as long as it's a 4 point something, it should be fine. It should be chill.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm adding a particle process material.
What do
as
you
if this is
think
something that I
larger
feel like
hand
I'm doing.
size should be relic?
Was that not Balatro Joker? Oh, Relic.
Relic.
Wait, no, isn't that Balatro Joker?
Oh, maybe it was. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah,
I thought that's what you had.
yeah. That's right. Then double jump.
What?
Double jump. Double jump.
It's kind of boots.
Boots. That's lame.
Some kind of boots, I think. Okay, all right.
Like,
Hover boots.
I don't mean to be rude, but that's like, if you think of double jump, that's the first thing everybody's gonna think of. You know, it's not
Okay, well, I
necessarily, like, you're
offered
wrong.
up cucumber, and you were like, I don't like that. Because like whenever you show a cat a cucumber, or whenever you put a cucumber behind a cat, it goes like, "Meow," and it like jumps up really high.
Have you tried that with Callie?
No, she's like too smart to realize that it's not a snake.
Oh,
But
okay.
also, she would never look away from me long enough for me to put a cucumber behind her because her anxiety is way too high. My favorite part about having a cat is she has a lot of the same issues that I do, which is she's very, very anxious as well.
To be.
Wait, was it? Oh, amount ratio. Amount ratio is the one that adjusts how many of the particles you're trying, right? It's like none and then all of them. Yeah. What would this look like? Oh, you know what? Actually, before we do anything with particles, I should make this also sorry, the shake speed, it's where I just have this pulling from a noise texture. So I have this noise script. Every frame it just adds delta times the shake speed and then multiplies the output from this by the shake strength. And I'm adding extra time because if I don't, then I believe it should just move only on one axis, question mark. Well, if I disable the rotation thing. You're 0 now. Yes, now it only moves. Honestly, maybe just moving it left and right is fine. And the rotation can handle some of the Y stuff. That doesn't exactly look terrible. I think
It looks kinda terrible.
Box. Alright, dude. I literally changed like nothing about it. Except for like...
I feel like the shaking is a little too fast. It feels like jittery. It doesn't feel like it's shaking. It feels like it's like snapping around.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, is this good?
Yeah,
Or
there we
one?
go. It's better.
Okay, yeah. 100 is definitely maybe too much. Maybe the rotation should have a separate shake speed, honestly.
Yeah.
var position time 0 rotation time 0.
I'm thinking of stickers as well. I'm trying to think what like planet stickers we could use. Or what planets we could use for stickers that we already have.
Should your game cost $2.99 or $4.99? Depends. If it's like a little arcade game, usually like $2.99. If it's a little bit more of like something involved, probably $4.99. If it's like a larger scale indie game, $10.99. Or not $10.99, sorry, $9.99. I love being forced to interact with marketing and pricing.
Yay!
I kind of hate that we can't just do like... I hate that like it makes sense to make something like whatever, 99.
Yeah.
Wait. I don't know if I should even be doing this noise shit. This is like stupid. I could just do like offset.x is equal to sine of position time times take strength, and I can do
You could also just like randomize that a little bit.
what do you mean randomize it?
I don't know, so it's not like always the same. I don't know what you're doing.
That's what noise is.
Oh, okay. I didn't know what you're doing.
Like the same thing as
I'm just
our
saying random words, by the way.
oh shit, dude, that looks weird.
Oh,
Oh, I see. One of the things that's happening, I shouldn't be using offset. I should be using position because offset is based on the rotation, which is a problem. It looks very funny right now, to be honest with you.
it does look very funny.
It looks very funny. So if this gets turned up to like 500, so now it vibrates rather than doing the weird shit that it was doing before. Which I think is fine. I do
Sure.
need to make sure. Okay, yeah, this has the thing. So, oh, what are you doing? Why are you? Oh, because rotation speed isn't set to. Oh shit. Maybe you should be like quite a bit lower than that, like 0.25 maybe. Yeah. Rockabye baby type shit.
At least looks like slightly better.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, I need to increase the. Is this the strength? Yeah, this is the strength. I think the
Wiggle,
speed could be
wiggle.
changed. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. I guess it'll ease in, right? Yeah, I don't know. Probably like maybe more ease in. Then, or is it? Oh, I know one of the things I'm doing wrong. I'm like missing a key principle of animation, which is that this should shoot down first before going in. So this should go like
To go like,
down to like a 4, and then
yeah,
back
it should go like,
so, which is going to be a bitch because I need you to be like partial like that. Oh, why did you? Oh, ease in, disable snapping, and then you should actually be an ease out. Sure. And then maybe honestly, let's just stop all of the rotation and shaking and everything at that point, I think. So you and you will be hold frames, and then we'll all go to 0. Right? Nope. Man.
yeah.
I'm really trying to do as much as I possibly can with a single sprite.
Yeah.
Why is this? Oh, I guess it would be. How about instead of 0 frames, there's hold frames? What if you were like a one of these? And instead of flying into the fucking screen, what if you just like that? Yeah, sure, close enough. And then do we have a smoke particle? Yeah, I'm assuming
Maybe.
smoke. We have smoke particles.
Don't use those.
Generic.
That one works.
Fire orb.
Yeah.
Okay. How many? 7 frames? Yeah. You will not loop. Sorry, buddy. What's up?
You know how it be.
How do you
sometimes.
make? Oh, never mind. I would just make this like that, and then increase the initial velocity so that it randomly spreads out. And I want to make these explosiveness 1, and the offset will be quite a bit anywhere else from that. And I also want to change their rotation. Is it a line Y? Is that the one? I actually can't tell. Slow down, please, sir. No? What? No? Hmm. Hmm. Sorry, I always forget what the whatever thing is.
Yeah. Any such game.
Okay, and this just doesn't affect the rotation at all. Cool.
Very cool.
Very neat, very nice. Why are they only like somewhat moving? Is it because of this? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't know if I really like these. Or do I think I can really see what they're going to do?
Well, you
So,
also need to scale them up. They're like teeny tiny.
yeah, I guess that's true. I probably do need to just scale them up between like 3 and 4.
Like,
Are they supposed to be 3 to 4?
yeah, I mean it's supposed to be like 4, but yeah. Honestly, I wouldn't rotate them. Or
No.
I wouldn't animate the rotation. I would just set their rotation at the beginning.
Fair enough.
And also make
Let
them
me
more
also-
randomized so they don't all play the animation at like the exact same time.
Yeah. And then also I would like to make, maybe their scale should be varied more, and I can make their scale change over time. As we always do, we love particles that pop into view and then kind of fly out and stop existing over time.
Yeah, I got like a demon feather thing. We can use your double jump. I've been on
This-
Bitlytic vision this whole time.
Have
I'm
you?
sorry.
This kind of sucks.
What do you mean with this? You're doing it
Uh,
wrong. No.
Yeah, I definitely am.
I know how you feel now when you see me trying to do things. Kidding. You're great at this. Keep it up, twin.
They're definitely also animating too fast, I think. Oh, I guess, you know what? I could have them. Why the fuck? In what world does this curve go from 0 to 200? That's 200 times the animation speed. In what world are you 200? And then, sorry, your velocity should be more varied so that some of you don't go as far. But you're like not. Dude, I feel like stupid as hell right now. It's actually crazy.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. What are you doing wrong?
Lots of things. Many things. Many such things.
Many such cases.
I also, let me add damping. Damping is friction, enemy velocity. No, accelerations. Damping. You need to be like very high, right? Like 500. Nope. 300? No, much less. What? Oh no, it's, sorry, this one is the one that needs to be really
Yeah.
500. Yeah, and they are
And then
really large.
you should also have a smaller let me think. Velocity. The lower end of the velocity should be lower. It's much better. So that way they don't all go out. Because before they would just kind of go out and make a ring. Kind of want to just like explode in one spot.
Blah, 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 blah. No, it's fine enough for now. Whatever. I'm gonna call it good. I don't care. I do care. I care so much, by the way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, me too.
Oh, sorry. Let me read chat. Give me tips on making a game. Make random things, and then eventually you will have a code base of enough things that you've made that you can just like pull them together into a game. Usually. Let me think about this. What do this need? What do this need? I need to tell it to actually play this. So it's going to be here when this shrinks down. This thing is going to spawn in front of it, and it's going to emit. Specifically on this frame. Yes. Almost. Maybe. Just maybe you could. Oh, you know what? The opacity isn't changing. Whatever. I see you're over there, just kind of sitting there.
Yeah, I was
you out of
gonna
steam?
help you, but yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Where's out of steam? Yeah,
Yeah.
let me put this in real quick, and then I will call it good.
Yeah.
Or at least for now. Pack selected.
Oh, I have to work tomorrow as well, so yeah, probably should get wrapped up so I can go eat dinner. But I have physical therapy tomorrow, yay, so... Oh, I also need to fill out some forms for that tonight. Remind me to do that if I'm sitting in call or something. My paperwork.
I just like add child here. Will this just work? We'll find out. I doubt it. I doubt it'll just work, but it'd be kind of cool if it did. Oh, you're over there. Okay, didn't think you'd be over there. That's kind of cool. I guess it's probably not this file then. You. This one. Yeah, it's you. It would be under here actually. This, except that doesn't exist because I need to grab that from here. Just loaded that line. I would do Mars and just do spawn for now. Open this. Oh wait, spawned dot tree exited. That child spawned. So I need to also make this animation queue free itself at the end, which would be, we'll say like right here. Sure. Just for now. I don't know why I typed in queue as if that was the thing, but here, did I make sure to select the right guy? You insert Q3. Okay, maybe that works. Just want to say good luck on the game development. Thank you. Good luck on the game development to you too. I'm assuming you're also a game dev. Oh, where did... Oh, it didn't. It never called show on itself, did it? No. Show, maybe. Let's see if that works. Nope. Shit. I'm floundering around right now. This goes here, then we're just gonna move this around until I find the right place for it to go. You are, oh my god. You go here. I'm gonna find out if this works, please. Please.
You're back. Hello, Filippo Calippo. You can watch and laugh at Biddy as he struggles together.
Oh shit. Yay. And then it opens. Okay, cool. So maybe let's...
Oh, is that the animation?
Yeah, for now.
Silly.
I'm sure you're gonna come back through and you're gonna be like, whoa, dude, I'm gonna make this better.
No. I don't know about that.
No? Oh.
Too much work.
Damn. Artists can't be bothered to do art stuff. Cool. Imagine if the particles like didn't free. Maybe the particles like did something different, but yeah, I don't know. I need to rewrite a lot of this code, probably. There's at least some of it. But I think I'm gonna end it here.
Yeah, me too.
Is that what we're gonna call it? We're gonna call it? Okay.
Yes.
Like 3.5 hours or so.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
All right. Well, good night, people. Thank you all for hanging out. Thank you for stopping by and checking out the game development and asking questions. We will be back.
We will.
Well, no. You have...
We might not be back.
We might not be back until, like,
Next
I don't know, a week and a half
Tuesday.
from now or so. Next Tuesday. No, like the Tuesday after.
Yeah. Yeah,
I
that's
guess
why I
like
said
this
next
Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Like
That's why I
like the
said
3rd. We might,
yeah.
or not the 3rd, sorry, the 4th. Yeah, maybe. Ah, shit.
Yeah, we will.
Well, I might be back on Tuesday. We'll find out. But I would really like to get something that people can play while we might not send something out while we're gone, but when we get back, we will.
Yep. Probably.
Okay.
Alright. Good night, everybody.